Hello, everyone, and peace of Christ to all of you. Please invite your friends and let us do the good work for today. Today, we have a new challenge to all the Muhammadan in the world. Who is a Muslim can prove to us that Muhammad is a man who have a prophecy? How we can say that Muhammad is a prophet if he always prophesy false prophecy? How he got his title, the Prophet of Allah? Regardless of knowing who is Allah for now, but yet the Muslims cannot provide us anything about their God. But not only that, they have a prophet, he have no prophecy. Actually, to be honest with you, he have, but all his prophecies are proven to be false, with no exception. And today's challenge is no exception than all our challenges before. And be my witness. Let us see if any Muhammadan he can provide us with anything. If you are a Muhammadan, feel free to call me and let everybody see who is Muhammad. In front of me, I have an image of the three monkeys, which is a very famous one. But this monkey image remind me of the story of Muhammad specifically. Muhammad, he did not hear his God. He did not see his God. He did not talk to his God. Now I hope the monkeys are not going to be upset from me. I mean no insult, but this is the fact. Isn't it true that Muhammad did not hear his God? He did not see his God. He did not speak to his God. So how in the world this man became a prophet of that God? So imagine I have a God I never spoke to, I never heard him, he never heard me. I never see me, I never saw him. I never met him, he never met me. Yet I am a messenger of that God. The Muslims, they claim, or Muhammadan, that they have a delivery guy. His name is Jibril. Nice to meet you, Jibril. Jibril is a guy who like to do squeezing. When he met Muhammad first time, according to Muslims, he hold him and he squeezed him 3 times. And by the way, if you are a person who is practice hunting or even fishing, there's some gear you need to squeeze them to light at night. It's like a mix of chemical. You squeeze it, you break it, and then it's going to make lighting for you. So Muhammad, in order to be the light for the world, the angel, he need to squeeze him, and the squeeze have to be 3 times the same as the 3 monkeys. Now we are waiting for Abdul's. Any Muhammadan, there's a Muhammadan actually, he said he wanna call me. The same guy yesterday, he called me. Let us see if he's going to call. If you are a Muhammadan and you think you have something to say for us, prove us wrong. Here we have a challenge for you, that Muhammad is nothing but a false religion, false cult, and Muhammad is a prophet who he cannot be a prophet for a very simple reason. First of all, he don't know his God. Muhammad even do not know what the name of his God mean. What Muhammad he knew about his God? I mean, somebody wanna come to me and to teach me about his God, shouldn't he knew first his God? I was thinking to announce myself as a prophet. I have more qualification than Muhammad. The only qualification is missing. I need an old woman to marry me and she is rich. So we can pay for some advertising in YouTube and we can make a lot of fools join me in my prophethood. But sadly, until now, I could not find a woman. She is 25 or 30 years older than me and she is rich. So we can open a corporation. It's called the Corporation of Muhammad, Messenger of Allah. And I will announce myself that I am Muhammad. Even Muhammad, his name is not Muhammad. What is the name of your prophet, Muslims? One time the Quran called him Muhammad, one time he called him Ahmad. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Abdul, how are you?
I'm good. Good. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.
Did you say Alhamdulillah?
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.
Who said that? You or Allah? He said that.
Allah Jalla Jalaluh.
Allah, he said Alhamdulillah. How Allah, he is God, but he say Alhamdulillah?
He's teaching you. He's teaching you how to
show me. No, show me where. Show me where.
You,
show me. No, show me. Show me where he said, I'm teaching you.
Go to the first surah.
Surah no, the one which Muhammad he received when he was doing poo. You remember yesterday we showed you?
That's not a hadith. I will not follow that.
Hey, come on. I showed you the reference in front of you. You cannot deny it. And anyway, if we go to the first, you said to me first, the first surah in the Quran. What we will find in the first surah in the Quran?
Okay, go.
We will find your God, Allah saying Alhamdulillah.
Yes, Allah teaching you that.
Where? Okay, show me where it says there. I am teaching you. Go ahead.
No, read it.
Does it say? Does it say in the name of Allah? No, it says in the name of Allah. How Allah, he is Allah, yet he is saying in the name of Allah.
Yeah, Allah is teaching you that how to say his name.
No, show me what it says. I'm teaching you. I'm going to teach you. You see, when they asked Jesus, in the Bible about how to pray. He said, "Say this, say this."
The word of God, right? As we believe, right? That's how Quran is the word of God. You cannot question Quran. If you want to question it, you gotta just follow it. You know, not blind following like you are following. You know, that is like you Christians. What you do is you say, "Oh, Jesus is God," but you don't have a proof even from your own scripture where you can show me that Jesus said.
Well, here we go. The proof it in front of me. It says here, "Praise be to Jesus, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Praise be to Jesus, the Lord of the world, the beneficent and the merciful, the master of the judgment." Let me ask you. When the Quran says in verse number 4, the master of the judgment day, isn't it? This is Jesus.
No, that's Allah Jalla Jalaluh.
That's a lie, because your prophet, he said that the Messiah will come. Did your prophet say that the Messiah will come as Hakaman Muqsitan? Did your prophet say?
What year are you born? What year are you born?
Did your prophet say it? I'm born long time ago. Answer me. Isn't it Jesus, the master of the judgment day, according to Islam?
It's not Jesus. It's Jesus. Jesus will come and he will die. Jesus will come back to the face of
okay, hold on.
And he will die like you died.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
All of them will die like this.
Did your prophet say? Let us not to talk. Okay. Did your prophet say? Stop. Let me talk. Did your prophet say that the Messiah will come and he will be Hakaman Muqsitan? Translate to us what Hakaman Muqsitan mean.
So listen. Hakaman Muqsitan, it means that he will come and kill all the kuffars. Like you're a kafir right now completely, because you're not a follower of Jesus, you're a follower of Satan.
So Hakaman Muqsitan will kill all the kuffar. Who is the donkey who taught you Islam? Who is the donkey? Give me the name of the donkey who taught you Islam. Hakaman in Arabic mean a judge. Muqsitan mean absolute justice. Stop lying. So Hakaman Muqsitan.
So what's the absolute justice that he will do in the face of the
so he is okay, you agreed. Guys, did you hear it? Did you hear?
Only with his breath.
All right. Guys, we
he
heard him saying that Jesus will be in the judgment day, the absolute judge and justice. That is God, my friend. There's nobody can do absolute judge and justice save God.
Explain from your scripture. Don't listen.
I just use your prophet words and get you busted. Why I want to use my scriptures? Why I want to use my scriptures? Here we go. Your prophet, he says that Jesus is the master of the judgment day.
Don't get the Quran and explain it. Get your Bible.
Okay, Abdul. Okay, Abdul. Today, Abdul.
Jesus is the prophet, and he's saying
breathe.
that my Lord and the Lord of Israel
Breathe.
is one.
Breathe.
So Jesus never said
Breathe.
that I'm God. He said the Lord of mine
No problem.
and the Israel is only one. Okay, so why don't you? Clearly, he's saying that he's not God. Why don't you worship the God of Israel? Who's the God of?
The God of Israel is Jesus, the Messiah. He said, what do you say of the Messiah? The Jews, they said to him, shut up. Let me show you. I can show you. Do you want me to show you, or you want to talk to yourself? Don't make me hang up on you. You are like a kid. Let us talk. We cannot talk in the same time. You made a statement. Let me answer you. You are literally, you are like Muhammad when he claimed to be a prophet. He keep talking. He never stopped talking, but he have nothing to say. Can I answer you? You made a claim. You made a claim. Can I answer you, Abdul? Why you are calling me? Why you are calling me if you don't want you to talk? Are you going to just to talk yourself?
The thing is, when you are making claims, you gotta make claims for your own Bible. Don't get my.
I make it the way I like. This is not your business. But you say to me what you want. Let me answer you.
You cannot make anything.
Let me answer you. Let me answer you. You are scared from my answer, right?
Go ahead.
Okay, listen. First of all, you don't believe that Jesus is God, right?
Of course. I don't believe that.
And you believe that Jesus never said, I am God.
Yes, I believe
okay.
That Jesus never
now,
said that.
if I show you that Jesus said, I am God, are you going to believe in that?
You gotta show me that verse where Jesus said that I am God.
Yes.
Jesus said
yes.
himself, not any statement
yes.
that someone else made it. Paul
oh, we have to write the Bible the way you like. We have to make it Jesus says, I am God. If anything else you want to accept, right?
Listen, I'm saying where Jesus said himself that he said that I'm God and worship.
Yeah, do you know the name of God? Did you hear that the Christian and the Jews, they call their God Jehovah?
Jehovah, okay. So
okay, here we go. Jesus saying, I am Jehovah. Read with me.
Jesus is not Jehovah. Jesus is Jesus.
Jesus, read it. Stop like a monkey. Stop. Matthew chapter 22, verse number 41. But the Pharisees were assumed. Yeshua asked, and he said, what are you saying about the Messiah? Who is son is he? They were saying to him, the son of David. He said to them, and how did David by the Spirit call him the Lord Jehovah? For he said, the Lord Jehovah said to my Lord, sit in my right hand until I place your enemy under your feet. Therefore David called him the Lord Jehovah. So how is he his son?
Don't tell me a statement that David says. Show me a
no, Jesus saying, this is Jesus saying that. Jesus saying to them.
You just said it. You said David saying
no, Jesus talking, you donkey. He's saying to them, how you say that I am the son of David if your King David called me Jehovah, the Lord, the Messiah. They are speaking about the Messiah. Now we go back to our topic. Show me a prophecy of your prophet Muhammad. Otherwise, he's a false prophet. A challenge for you.
Challenge for me?
Yeah. How you call him a prophet, but he have no prophecy?
What do you mean he doesn't have prophecy?
Well, show me. Okay, show me. Here we go. The Quran in front of us. The Quran. Here we go. The prophecy of Muhammad is in the book of Allah.
Like it's your own cousin.
Abdul, stop, blah 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 blah. You are like a bubble. You are like a bubble of fart. Stop talking and start answering. Show me a prophecy of your prophet. You call him a prophet. How he became a prophet? Give me the prophecy.
How he became a prophet?
Give me the prophecy.
Go to Surah Iqra. Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi. Go to that surah.
Okay, we will go to Iqra.
That's the start. That's the starting of his prophecy.
Okay, let us see. All right, let us see if this is prophecy or this is a shish kebab. Are you sure? I'm asking you.
That's the first. That's the first surah that was revealed.
By the way, the name of it is not Iqra. The name of it is Al-Alaq. Let me teach you. It's not Iqra. It's Al-Alaq. You are an ignorant. Okay. Now read for us. Where is the prophecy here? Where is the prophecy? Where is the prophecy here? Where is the prophecy? Hello. Hello. Hello.
And he talks about hadith and Quran. That's stupid.
Show me the prophecy. Here we go. We are in the chapter you asked me for. Let us go to the topic. Show me the prophecy, please.
Okay, that's a prophecy of him.
Where?
First, What does Lord say first? What does he? What does the
What
Lord
he
tell him
said?
first?
He said read.
Okay, read. So okay, read the whole translation for the people.
In the name of the Lord who creates.
Okay.
And where is the prophecy?
Okay, go ahead.
You tell me what is the prophecy. The chapter is long. Where's the prophecy?
You should read this. You should read it. And
It doesn't matter. You read it, no problem. Show me what is the prophecy. What I see here is a stupid statement. How Allah he said to Muhammad read, but you Muslim you say Muhammad do not know how to read.
That's the power of God.
Power of God. So Muhammad do not know how to read, and Allah he said to him to not read. Does that mean that Allah do not even know that Muhammad do not know how to read?
Of course, Allah is the knower of everything.
So how he said to him read? A guy who do not know how to read. What the point of saying read?
He's al-qadir. He is whatever, you know, he wants to do whatever he wants. He's kun fayakun.
Yeah. Now we will go to kun fayakun. Abdul, you are the one who put yourself in trouble. You are the one who said to me, quote this chapter. Here we go. The first word Allah he said to Muhammad is a stupid and cannot be true. How he said to him read, but Muhammad do not know how to read.
Why are you reading it? So why are you reading it?
Allah said to Muhammad read, not to me.
Okay, so why are you reading it?
Just to make fun. Having fun, don't you see? Muhammad is a stupid prophet. We are getting him busted. We are spanking him. So now answer me. How your God? How you say to me? I said to you, show me a prophecy. You say this is a prophecy.
Believe in the Lord of Israel, who's one.
You are an idiot. Stop talking. Stop talking. Answer me. How this is a prophecy? How God do not know that Muhammad do not know how to read?
You're such a ignorant person.
Why I'm ignorant? I'm going with you, no problem. Let us say I am ignorant. Teach me, show me, silence me. Okay, Allah he said to Muhammad read. Muhammad did not know how to read. Who is the stupid here, Muhammad or Allah?
Listen, Christian, listen.
Show me.
Listen over here first.
Silence me.
It's not. I'll silence you. You'll get silenced by the Quran so easily.
Okay, show me.
You'll get silenced. Quran is there for you to silence.
Answer me.
Okay. Listen first. You want to listen first?
Yes, show me.
Okay. So first, what you got to do is whatever doubts, whatever questions that you have about Quran and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, right? About your Bible, about the Torah, you can write them down. Write all the questions.
What is the answer? What is the answer? Why Allah he said to Muhammad read, but Muhammad did not know how to read? Who is the stupid here? Stop giving me a lecturer.
I'm not giving you a lecture.
So give me the answer. Why he said to him read?
I'm telling you, if you so first explain what
Turkey, Mr. Turkey, I'm going to change your name. Your name is not Muhammad. Your name is Turkey. Answer me. What kind of God? He do not know that the guy he's speaking to, he do not know how to read.
Khinzir, first explain what God means.
Khinzir is you. Your prophet is Khinzir. I warned you before. If you insult me, even the Quran says that tasabbu bi jahala ya hmar ghabi. Learn your Quran. Learn your Quran. You are disobeying even your prophet. So you are calling me names. I will call your prophet name. So answer. 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 Answer.
Whenever he speaks,
the hypocrite is your prophet.
Whenever you try to give him an advice, he bursts in front of the people. That's what you did. That's what you did. You know, it makes my beliefs more stronger in Islam. More.
I can tell.
You know, Muhammad, be upon him, he had more enemies.
I can tell. I can tell. You are getting so strong in your belief, brother. So now, after you get so strong, can you answer the question still? Now you are very strong. You became Papai. Mr. Papai, can you answer the question? How Allah he said to Muhammad read, but yet Muhammad do not know how to read? Papai, did you eat Sabanik? Did you eat spinach? Did you eat spinach today, Mr. Papai?
Does not die, just like your Jesus died.
Papai, Papai. Okay, yesterday we showed you that Muhammad he died like a rat and Jesus never died. No problem. Jesus is God. You see, you just proved to me that Jesus is God. Now answer. You see how stupid you are. What does this have to do with my topic?
How is the earth running?
Donkey. How the earth running, you idiot? We believe that God never dies. Same time we believe in the Trinity. You are stupid. Your God, Allah, here we go. He is running the earth. He cannot even run the mouth of Muhammad. He said to him, read. He did not know how to read. Are you going to answer the question, or you will keep going forever?
That's what I'm telling you. I'm gonna answer your question.
Okay, I'm waiting, Papai.
Okay.
Papai, go. You ate spinach today. I'm waiting. How Allah he said to him read, but Muhammad cannot read?
Listen, it's God. God is first. You have to explain what God means. God can do.
This is not my question. I don't care. What kind of God? What do you mean God can do? He told him read. Muhammad still cannot read. Jesus.
Tell me.
Jesus, he said to the blind man, see. The man he see. He said to the one who cannot walk, walk. He walk. Allah, he said to Muhammad, read. He cannot read still. So Allah is a false God. Muhammad is a false prophet.
So he didn't read it. So how did all the Quran got revealed?
Are you saying to me Muhammad he did read?
Yeah, that's what he did. He read afterwards.
No, he did not. No, he did not. No, he did not. No, he did not. Reading is not reciting. No, reciting. Okay, the word here is iqra, not to repeat after me. Correct?
So what does that mean?
Read. You have to see something written in your hand. Yeah, we have to give you a paper. We have to give you a paper, and you read it from it. Abdul, let us say what you are saying is it true? But it's funny. If I say to you read, shouldn't you say to me read what, you donkey? Read what? You just said to me one word. The story says in the hadith that Jibreel, he came to Muhammad, he said to him the word read, the only word he said to him read, and then he started squeezing him. Muhammad, he said to him, I do not know how to read. The guy, he squeezed him again, he said to him read. The guy, he said, I do not know how to read. The guy squeezed him again. So what the point? So obviously both of them, they are donkeys. One is saying read, the other one he do not know how to read, and there's no communication. So Allah, he said to Muhammad, read it 3 times. To do what?
What happened the third time when he read?
What happened? You tell me.
What happened?
What happened? Nothing.
He came back from Ghari Hira. He came back to his wife Khadija.
Yeah, and he said to her, he said to her, what's wrong with me?
Zammiluni, zammiluni.
Okay, zammiluni, zammiluni. Explain to people who listening what zammiluni mean.
Zammiluni, cover me, cover me.
Okay, why cover me, cover me? He is having a fever?
No, he's not having a fever. First of all, you gotta understand who's Jibreel is. Jibreel salam, he's the angel of God, who's one of the biggest angel of Allah that is closest to Allah. Okay, first you gotta understand that. First, so make your own statements first, right? You gotta first know what Deen Islam is first all about. You're just getting the Quran and Hadith. You're trying to make fun of it, but don't try to make fun of it. Try to make people understand what is the real belief of Islam is, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so the real belief of Islam is believing in Jesus the prophet. Okay, the real.
This is not my question. Don't change the topic. You're a prophet. He said, "Cover me, cover me." Why? He feels sick. Did he ask his wife? Is it true? Is it true that you're a prophet? Is it true that you're a prophet? Stop talking, man. You are like a machine. You are a donkey. We cannot talk this way. Blah 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 blah. Take a break. Speak for 2 minutes. Give me 1 minute.
Okay, go.
Okay, when Muhammad, he went back to his wife and he said to his wife, cover me, cover me. And did he say to his wife, what's wrong with me? No, he did not say that.
The wife asked him, what's wrong with you? What happened?
No. If I show you that Muhammad he said that, what you will do? Are you willing to apologize for lying? It is Muhammad who said, what's wrong with me?
What's wrong? He didn't say what's wrong. He said zammiluni.
If I show you that he said that, if I show you what, okay, if I show you that he said that, are you willing to say I am an ignorant?
I'll never say I'm ignorant, because you're ignorant, because you're trying to explain Quran and Hadith that you never know. They don't know.
If I show you he said that, what you will do? Hello. Abdul. I know what happened to him. In front of us, we see that Muhammad is a person who is suffering from mental illness. Aisha, she witnessed that Muhammad, he keeps saying, where I am and where I will be tomorrow. Muhammad, He knew he's a false prophet. He knew that he is going to end in hellfire. Where I am and where I will be tomorrow. Call me back when you get your internet talking machine, so we can laugh together. The God who said to Muhammad, read, and Muhammad who said to him, I do not know how to read. What this story is about. And from the first verse in the Quran, we will see the Quran is teaching stupid teaching. Why? You can change to any translation you want, which all of them they are a bunch of liars, but we can show you all translations. The name of the chapter is the clot, al-alaqa. Verse number 2, the Quran claimed that Allah created a human being from a dead blood, which is explained later in the chapter 23 that Allah he made the sperm into a congealed dead blood. So the first statement is stupid. The second statement is stupid. The fourth statement is stupid. Allah he taught the man by the pen. It is Allah who created the pen. How Allah he taught the man by the pen if Muhammad himself do not know how to write, how to read? How Allah he say to someone who do not know how to write, how to read, he taught by the pen? What pen? And how you can say that specifically to someone like Muhammad? So as you see, from the first what Muhammad and they call it revelation, we see that Allah is a false God and Muhammad obviously is a false prophet. Read and look, the Muslims here they fabricate translation. They say proclaim or read. It doesn't work either. Proclaim, it doesn't work even if it's read, because to recite you have to know it by heart, and this is the first word he said to him. Actually the story does not make sense at all. How the guy he said to him read, and the Muhammad he said to him I do not know how to read. Saint Muhammad asked him, read what? Give me a paper to read. And what does that mean? Did the angel give him a book? If the angel is saying to him just repeat after me, why Muhammad he said to him I cannot repeat if this is what it's meant? That would be stupid too. Yes, Abdul. Your voice is cutting. Your voice is cutting. Say, did you say inshallah before you call me? I cannot hear you. Brother, please before you call me, alhamdulillah, say inshallah, and that will make your connection very strong. Don't call me if you don't say inshallah first, brother. Only Muslims can call me. Only Muhammadan. Don't call me if you are not a Muhammadan. Muhammadan only. Faris is calling me coward. Faris the kid. Faris, answer Faris. Answer, Abdul. Until now, witness with me. Okay, what he want to answer? A witness with me. Not even one Muhammad, and he can show us one prophecy of what they call a prophet Muhammad. How stupid this cult is. Prophet Muhammad, Prophet Muhammad, Prophet Muhammad, but yet he don't have a prophecy. Nice to meet you. We have a stupid teaching, which is a false prophecy. They cannot show us one thing mentioned come to be true. So I have a prophet. We call him a prophet, but he have no true prophecy. He have false statement, false teaching. The baby is created from a congealed dead blood. Well, nice to meet you, but the dead blood. I never heard of a God teaching that except Allah. Actually, if you know Arabic, you will die laughing at this chapter here, which have no meaning. Muhammad trying to make Arabic music, which is stupid. Yesterday, I bought a cat and I took it to my flat, and the cat was really big. And he said, I am I don't look like a pig. And I told him, what's your name? He said to me, I mean, like, I'm trying to make Arabic music like Muhammad. In Arabic, I can make it easy, to be honest with you. Even a lot better than Muhammad. I can make point. Not this. This is called a broken sajah. Yes, Abdul.
Yes. So you are trying to, as I told you, right? So first, give me your questions that you have about Islam and Muhammad.
My question, my friend, my question. Listen carefully, please. Take a breath. Where is the prophecy or prophet he gave in order to call somebody a doctor?
No, you don't have one question. You have so many.
No, I have one, just one. Give me a prophecy. Your prophet, he prophesy and come to be true. The Quran in front of us, and we are listening.
So you have this one question only.
Only. This is our topic today. This is our topic. It says Muhammad. The topic of our title today: Prophet was false prophecy. Meet Muhammad.
No, because sometimes you bring up the black stone.
No, we will not talk about the black stone. Black stone proving Muhammad to be a pagan. This is a different story. Now I'm asking you, give me please one prophecy. Okay, yeah, okay. So why your prophet kissed the black stone? You see, you open the topic. Now answer. Here we go. You put yourself in trouble. Why Muhammad, if he is a worshiping one God, why he kiss a stone? Stone.
Okay, he kissed it. So
why?
Can you do anything about it?
I can do anything about it. We can laugh. He's a pagan man.
No, if Jesus came today, right? Just say that. And he kissed, let's say, a red light.
Really?
Would you? Okay, let's say I'm just saying he kissed a red light, and he told you, that follow whatever I did. Would you do it or not?
No, we will not, because that will mean that he's a fake Jesus. No, yeah, we will not follow him. No, that's mean yes, I will not follow him, because that's mean he is not the true Christ. That as simple as that. You're a prophet is a pagan man. He kisses stones. Why you're a prophet? Why you're a prophet? Abdul, you don't change.
If you don't kiss the red light,
here we go.
Because you're not following. You don't have.
Here we go. Here we go. Why your prophet kissed the black stone?
Why he kissed it? He kissed it.
Why? No problem. But why? My friend, it's okay. I get it. He kissed it. We know that. But why? Why?
Why? It's a stone from Jannah.
So what? If a donkey came from Jannah, you will kiss it?
What?
If a donkey came to you from Jannah, here we go. Allah sent al-Buraq. It's a donkey.
Yeah, I will kiss it, of course.
Okay, so but why he kiss it anyway?
Yeah,
did his God tell him to kiss it, or Muhammad was just a pagan man? What?
Let's say God made you to give you a wife today, right?
I do not hear you. You say again. Say again. Say again. Did you say inshallah before you call me? Did you say inshallah before me? My friend, I told you, your Allah is not helping you. Can Allah string your internet? Let us make a short prayer to Allah. Can you make a short prayer to Allah to string in your internet? Why your Allah is not giving you better internet?
Back and forth. So
I don't hear you.
And first, I'm going to tell you that if today.
Yeah, now I hear you. Look. See, Muhammad is a prophet. You see, it's very sure, very sure. Muhammad is a prophet. And we're kissing a black stone in the shape of a vagina, which the Arab believe it's a vagina, the god of fertility. That is the truth. Muhammad is a prophet. What make him a prophet? I have no idea. Khanzir. You see, the Muslims, they hate Khanzir, but all their women, they do makeup by Khanzir. 90% of the lipstick is made by Khanzir, by pork. This is how stupid the Muslims are. So when you kiss your wife, you are kissing Khanzir, and they write for you halal in it just to fool you. Everyone in the world, including Muslims, he do a surgery, they tie up your stitches by Khanzir, your donkey. Khanzir is the most useful animal, not like your prophet. If not the Khanzir, millions of Muslims will die, because Khanzir is the one who provide you with insulin. You see how much useful the Khanzir? What is the use of your Muhammad? People die because of Muhammad, but people live because of the Khanzir. Go and search where the insulin came from. All those who have diabetes, who die because of diabetes, they are saved by Mr. Khanzir. Khanzir, he's safe. You're a prophet, he don't save anyone, he kill. Do we have any Abdul? Mayday, Mayday. A prophet with no prophecy. He have false prophecies. When he speak, he do not talk. He made fun of himself. So tons of videos about the amazing Muhammad. Fabricated videos, scientific verses in the Quran, science in the Quran, but it's nothing but a scam. Literally. Who is the one who want to challenge us to prove us wrong? Only Muslims can call me, please. Only Muhammad. And don't call me if you are not a Muslim. Any Muslim, any Muhammadan who is a Muhammadan can prove us wrong. Muhammad is a false prophet. Give me one prophecy Muhammad he said come to be true. Just one. Anyone? By the way, last month I made a prophecy and it come to be true. I don't know if you remember it. I said that this coming month there's many women, they will have their period, and you believe it or not, this is true. And not only that, I said that in January in many places we will have a snow, and it come to be true. You believe it? Unbelievable. And not only that, I said in the summer is going to be hot and in the winter is going to be cold. And not only that, I said that many women, they talk a lot, and many men, they are going to lose their houses because of divorce. You believe it? And not only that, I said that Trump, he will marry from a woman, her name Melania Trump, you know. And this is true. He married her, yes, 20 years ago, but still, how I know he will marry her. I mean, like this is a previous, like in the, like what they call it, like a statement today. I said it, but I know it before I know it. How I know that? Huh? I said many prophecy, they come to be true. I said that YouTube will create a program. It's called YouTube, and I call it, and I did make my prophecy last month. How I know that? And here we go. Now we are using YouTube. You believe it? Hmm? And let me give you a prophecy which nobody knows. In Indonesia, people they speak Indonesian, and in India, the one who live there are Indian. Here we go. I never been in India. How I know that? Hmm? I will give you another one which nobody knows. That fish, they live in the water. How I know that? Okay, I will give you a prophecy which nobody knows, that most of the actors we see today in TV, they don't have really breast, they have a silicone one. How I know that? Fake balloon. Unbelievable. Hold on. Jabril is talking to me. Jabril is talking to me. Yes, Jabril. Yes. Uh-huh. 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 Okay. Uh-huh. There is somebody right now in the airport in USA and he's holding his passport. Had Jabril, he told me that. How I know that? I mean, look how fast the information. The guy is in the airport and he's holding his passport, and Jabril, he just told me that. How I know that? Obviously, this is a miracle. And Jabril just now told me. Just now. So who is the Muslim who want to tell us how Muhammad became a prophet? The big guy, Muhammad. What a big false propaganda. A black stone kisser, a pagan man, he go around the stones, bow to a stones, worship stones, and he force you to face direction of a stone. Yet you claim that he's a prophet. All your religion is based on stones, yet you accuse others to be pagans. Hello? What is that? You call me, you change your mind? If your mother-in-law, she is nearby, don't call me. Otherwise, you will end the day washing dishes. Any Abdul? Mayday. Who is the Muslim wanna save his prophet? Where we can find the prophecy in the book of Allah, where prophesy something and come to be true? By the way, for those who do not know, the Muslims don't even have a black stone no more. Do you see the picture here? Maybe you do not notice what those pictures are about. The Muslims, what they have right now is little tiny stones in the size, not even in the size of your fingertip. 8 little pieces. One. Oh, let me make it in red. Most of people like red. Yeah, red. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. So what is around it? This is a wax. It is nothing but wax. You believe it? That's it. This is a stone Allah he sent from heaven and did not even look the same. Do you see some of them they are gray, some of them they are brown, some of them they are black? They cannot even be from the same stone. So if Allah he sent one stone from heaven, how Allah could not protect the stone? Look what happened to the stone. It's gone. There is no stone. There is no stone. The stone is gone. Is the stone Allah? Where are Allah? He did not break the protect the stone. We have to put insurance on the stone. It's gone. And you Muslim, you keep kissing it. Kissing what? There's nothing there. So that's what they have. They have little tiny 8 pieces and they stick it inside the wax to resemble the old way the stone supposed to used to be, a vagina. Alhamdulillah. Any Muslim? Christianity is dead. My friend, if a Christianity is dead, why you are Muslims are afraid from somebody preaching the gospel in Saudi Arabia, in Afghanistan, in Pakistan? Christianity is dead, but you are terrified. Islam is the one is dead, my friend. using violence to keep a religion exist, that means this religion is collapsing, is dead. It is the one is dead. Christianity is exists with the freedom, which means the one who want to be Christian, he is a Christian with the free choice to be or not to be. You don't have a freedom to be or not to be. Give a freedom to people and let us see how many of you will be Muslims. And watch our program and see how many people accept Christ here every day, leaving the cult of Muhammad. According to Al Jazeera TV, 16,000 Muslims leave in Islam a day. 666. That's amazing. Even the number is 666. You believe it? This is what the Jazeera said, not me. An hour. 6 million a year. It's not me who said that. Al Jazeera TV. Now, who is the Muslim? He is going to give us a goal and show us that Muhammad is a prophet. Hello? By the way, every week, the Muhammadan, they have to do maintenance to the black stone. If you don't believe me, you can go right now and search for maintenance for the black stone. I wish I can play the video for you, but they will claim copyright over it. They do literally maintenance. Why Allah don't do maintenance? If this is his holy stone and he sent it to Muhammad and sent it to Abraham, he sent it to Adam, we need to do maintenance to it. Oh boy. CB apologized to us as a Christian. Hey Boris, I don't want to apologize to you as a Christian. You are no Christian. You are Boris Yeltsin, a donkey with certification. Get lost. Nice to meet you, Boris Yeltsin. You are a fake Christian. There's no way a Christian, he will not like what I am doing. We are the real Christian, not you. You are a fake one. Attacking the ones who bring people to Christ, proving to me that you are a fake person. Who is a Muslim? He did to call us, brother. Have you written any of my books in Arabic? My friend, I wrote all my books in Arabic, but look, but what happened? It's a miracle. I write in Arabic, Jibril, he make it English. The second I read the word in Arabic, Jibril, like in purpose, he's opposing me, you know, he's fighting me. I want to write the book in Arabic. So I write, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Jibril, he right away, he changed the letters to English. He make it in the name of Allah. It's a miracle. Actually, let me tell you a true story. This is a true story, by the way, between quotation. I wrote a book in English. I woke up in the morning, I found it in French. Allahu Akbar. Jibril. Don't play ever with Jibril. If Jibril get upset from you, I will not be surprised if my book right now and the one I'm working in, I woke up in the morning, I find it in Chinese. Actually, this is a true story, by the way. I wanted to open a broadcast and I said, like as usual, hello everybody, and instead of saying that, Jibril, he punished me and he made me speak Chinese. So I said, which means welcome to everybody, please invite your friends. And this is a true story, by the way. Sahih al-Bukhari. How are you, Rizikar? How are you? Still alive? Who is a Muslim wanna give us a proof that Muhammad is a prophet? I mean, literally, I am so disappointed. You Muslims, you count yourself by millions, by hundreds of millions, yet not even one, and you call Muhammad a prophet, but not even one of you can tell us how Muhammad became a prophet. He prophet for what? Huh? What make him a prophet? Unbelievable. What is the qualification to be a prophet in Islam? What is it? Be my witness. not any Muslim Abdul, he can tell us how Muhammad he became a prophet. Let us see this Abdul here. Hello?
Hello,
Yes.
is it CP?
Yes, it is.
Hello, friend. My name is Aswan,
Okay.
and I am a struggling Muslim, you can say.
Okay. Why you are struggling?
Because I have been watching your videos for a long time,
All right.
and I have been reading side by side, and it started to, grow doubt in
Okay.
me. So that's why. And now today you were talking about stone, black stone.
Hmm.
I never get it why a prophet ever kissed it.
Yeah, but the Muslim they say to us, and you are a Muslim supposedly until now, that the black
Yeah,
stone, as you heard the guy before, he said because Allah he sent it from heaven, this is why he kissed it. I mean, this is isn't it funny that if a
yeah,
stone coming from heaven we kiss it? So what? Heaven mean the space. So what does that mean? There's many stones come from the space every day.
yeah, meteoroid. And that's why I always wondered why he kissed it if he was against idol worship. I also know that it is not idol worship exactly, but still it doesn't make sense. And after that, all Muslims started that practice. So, these kind of things were making me skeptic about this religion.
Okay, only
So,
the black stone is making you not sure. Is that the only
no, no,
thing?
no, lots of other issues, not
Okay.
only this.
What is from my videos make you more
No,
taking?
I was never, too much into hadiths
Okay.
before your video. I was only into Quran and something like hadiths were not my thing. So when I started to see your videos and I started to check the hadiths and everything was there what you said, and it was not something like you are making up or something. So I grew my confidence in you that you are not lying at least.
All right.
So
So did
that's why.
you?
And then I saw your video of that Abu Tahir, I think, who attacked Kaaba
Okay.
and, and challenged Allah that send your burned army because I'm going to attack. And I checked it about it, and this story was in a book, History of Islam, and exact things you told were there. That pilgrims were killed, and Kaaba was destroyed, and a stone was stolen. So that made me very much skeptic of that story. Because if Allah is really existing, then why didn't He, even stopped him from doing anything?
Yeah, because remember
Like,
they have a chapter. It's called the elephant, right? The chapter of the
yeah,
elephant.
I know.
So how come
Yeah, it's a
when the
very small chapter.
kuffar are occupying the Kaaba, when the pagan they have 360 idol right around the Kaaba, Allah
Yeah,
he sent an army of birds to defend it. But when there is no idols around the Kaaba, Allah he did not send his birds.
yeah, that's what I was wondering. Na?
Yeah, so it's a
And
lie. There's no proof of this story about the elephant. And how who in the world want to believe that an army of elephant will go and walk in the desert? An elephant he need an average of 600 liters of water a day just to drink.
yeah, yeah.
You know,
That's what I'm saying. Things are not matching up, and it's just like a blind faith. It's it's not. And then another issue I have, I think you can clear my points about apostasy wars.
okay.
And whenever I ask question about apostasy wars, I don't get any much clear answers. Can you tell me where I can find it proper information on that issue?
Well, there is many actually, because all of
And
Islam
sorry,
is about
sorry to interrupt you.
apostasy. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry to interrupt you. I was yeah. You go ahead. Tell me what are you saying?
Yeah, I'm saying all the Quran is about killing who they are apostate, and I will explain to you in a very simple way. Isn't it Muhammad?
Hmm.
He said that everyone is born as a Muslim.
Yeah.
Okay, and isn't it the Quran says fight those who don't believe?
Yes.
Okay, that's mean kill anyone who is apostate.
Sometimes it can be taken into context or not.
No,
And
we
that is why
cannot.
some
Did Muhammad go in war with those who don't believe? Did Muhammad he say, I've been ordered to fight all mankind until they say there's no God but Allah and there's no prophet but Muhammad?
yeah, it's in hadith, I think so.
Yeah, but even in the Quran, no, even in the Quran, let's go to the Quran. If we go in the
Okay.
Quran, first of all, we will find okay. If we go in chapter uh, let us see. There's many verses, but you know, I will try to show you something more clear. In chapter 9, verse number 11, as an example, it says,
Chapter 9, verse 11.
yes,
Yeah. Okay.
okay. If they repent and establish regular prayer and practice regular charity, they are your brothers in faith. Those do we explain and sign in details. Okay. So what is that? And if they violate their oath in what? Here they became people of charity, people of belief, people of being Muslim, right? But if they violate their oath in what? In the oath they did here, if they became Muslims and they are establishing the prayer. But if they violate their oath, then you kill them. Okay. And here he's saying to him, aren't you going to fight those who violate their oaths and they plotted against the messenger? But here is saying what he's requiring from them. If they are people who became in faith and they are Muslims, then we don't kill them. That's it. But if they violate their oath, then we kill them, for they are the chief of fitna, you know, the chief of kuffar. So what is the requirement for those people not to be killed if they keep in faith and they keep staying as a Muslim and establish regular prayer? And then he says, fight them and Allah will punish them by your hands.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the Muslim here, they will say to you, it says here that the one who expelled the Prophet of Allah. Okay, hold on. The one who expelled the Prophet of Allah, you want to fight them? First of all, Muhammad never been expelled. According to all Islamic sources, Muhammad, that he ran away by himself and he did not expel by anybody. They did not kick him out.
Yeah.
Secondly,
that story.
Secondly, even if somebody expel me, that is not an excuse to go after people and kill them. Go and live in different city in peace. Preach that you are a prophet. Go ahead. You know, you are in different city, and now why you are attacking them? Go there. Here we go. He went to different city. They did not go after him. It was him who's going after them, and he started doing a piracy in the street.
No, so actually, the thing was this, that they left their houses and their properties back in Makkah, so they wanted to take that back. So that's why they attacked Makkah.
Yeah, you know, Muhammad, he said it clearly, and not this is not only in the hadith. If you go like in different verse in the Quran, as an example, in chapter 3, verse, here we go, chapter 3, verse number 90.
90.
90.
90.
Yes.
Okay.
But those who reject faith after they accept it, then go and add in their defense or to the faith, never will be repentance to be accepted. Okay. So here Muhammad, he says, if you reject Islam, you repent or you don't repent, we will not accept. What does that mean? It means you became a kafir, we have to kill you. What repentance will mean? And by the way, here this is again the additional false prophecy of Muhammad, because there is many of those who left Islam, they became a Muslim again when Muhammad he won the war. So this is a false prophecy. How you say to them, we will never accept your repentance if you leave Islam, and then he accept them. As an example, Abdullah ibn Sarah. Abdullah ibn Sarah, is the one, not only he left Islam, he got Muhammad busted. He said that Muhammad is a false prophet. He write for me what I say. He is not even
Okay.
even Muhammad, he made a verse about it from the Quran, and he said that Allah gave me this verse, and this is about Abdullah ibn Sarah. If we go in the Quran, we will find this. Let us show you the verse.
Yeah, I think it's a chapter about him. That guy you're talking about, his relative.
Huh? Abdullah ibn Sarah. He's a guy. He was an like a scribe for Muhammad.
Scribe.
Yeah, he was a scribe for Muhammad, and he noticed that Muhammad is a false prophet. So he said that Muhammad is a false prophet, and Allah never inspire him anything. He write what I say. I am the one who inspire him. You know, read with me here this verse, chapter 6, verse number 93.
Chapter 6, verse number 96.
93.
93.
Who can be more wicked than the one who invents lie against Allah, or says I have received inspiration? Do you see it? He says I receive inspiration. Who is the one who's talking here? The inscribe of Muhammad. He got him busted. He left Islam, and he told the people that Muhammad is not receiving inspiration. It was me, because I say something, he say write it there.
Can you tell me his name again?
Abdullah ibn Sarh. Abdullah ibn Abi Sarh.
Abdullah
bin Abi Sarh. Abdullah bin Abi Sarh.
Bin Abi
Sarh.
Asar.
Yeah, let me see what let us see what Ibn Kathir will say about this. Let us see in English. Maybe you can see the name in English, so you can take a reference. Okay, so we go to 693. 693. Let us go to Ibn Kathir. You see my screen, right?
I'm owning that.
Okay.
I was talking to you on phone. Now I'm starting the laptop,
Right.
so I can see your screen.
This is Ibn Kathir translation, which is far away from Ibn Kathir in Arabic, by the way, but we will use it to see if it's written there in details, because usually what they do, they cut a lot of from the translation what is written in Arabic. Let us see. Or say I have received inspiration where is not inspired by anything. Ikrama or Qutada says that this ayah revealed about Musaylim al-Kadhab, but this is not true. This is about Ibn Sarh. ومن قال سأنزل, this is okay. Let's see. Yeah, you see here it's cut off. Yeah, we cannot see it here. Let us see different. As was expecting, they cut off the story.
They cut the story.
Yeah, let us see. Let us go to the official government website of the Kingdom of Jordan. Let us go to the mute YouTube, please, so I don't hear myself twice.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay. So we go here. 693. And this is Tafsir al-Jalalain. See here they are saying this is about Musaylim al-Kadhab. Let us go to Asbab al-Nuzul. Okay. Here they are saying Musaylama too. Okay, let us go and show you in Arabic then. Look like in English we are going nowhere.
You know Arabic very well, so you can translate it.
Yeah, if we go in Arabic, actually the same website. Let's show you. Here we go. This is why I say like always Muslims in English.
The most thing I have grown about you is trust, that you are not liar.
Well,
not
people
lying.
they can see in the screen. People who speak,
if it is not written in English, I'm ready to accept it.
No, my friend, I can copy in the front of you, and you can see I can give you the link. You can translate in Google. All right.
Link Google Translate.
Yeah, here we go. It says, وتجهير منه لهم في معارضة عبد الله بن سعد بن أبي السرح والحنفي مسيلمة لنبي الله. Okay, so they are saying now in Tabari that this is about, but he said نزلت هذه الآية في عبد الله بن سعد بن أبي السرح أخي بني عامر بن لؤي وكان يكتب للنبي صلى الله عليه وسلم وكان فيما يملي عزيز حكيم فيكتب غفور رحيم فيغيره ثم يقرأ عليه كذا وكذا لما حول فيقول نعم سواء نعم سواء فرجع عن الإسلام ولحق بقريش. Let me translate. This guy actually, you know what? Let me open Google translation. Even Google translation will not give an accurate translation, but better than nothing. So people will not say this guy is making things up. All right. Google translation. Let us see. Google translate. All right. Actually, I'm going to copy the whole link and post it there in the front of everybody. And as you see, this is the official government website of the Kingdom of Jordan. It's translating. All right. Let us see now. Oh, the page coming funny. It's not coming correct. But anyway, you will see here the name. Let us see. Do you see the name? Abdullah ibn Sarah. Let us highlight for you so you can see it. You see it says Abdullah ibn Sa'd, Abdullah bin Sa'd ibn Abi Sarah. Do you see it?
Yeah, Sa'd bin Abi Sarah.
Now here it says, let us go down. Okay, this is say revealed. Okay, well, let's see where he said that here. Let us make a line. Okay. Fabricated falsehood and falsehood. The people differed from the interpretation of this verse. Some of them they said, which we said in it, that the one who said this to us, the translation is funny. Okay, akrama, blah, 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 blah. Okay, they said that that the revelation is a lie, and you see here the translation is really funny. Here it says that he said that the Prophet, peace upon him, he said Azizun Hakim. Muhammad, he say Azizun Hakim came down to him. But the guy, he said, the guy, he changed it and he make it from Azizun Hakim Ghafurun Rahim. So Muhammad, he says Azizun Hakim, the guy, he write down Ghafurun Rahim. He asked Muhammad, what do you think about that? He said it's fine. So how you claim that this is Allah sending you messages, and then you say it's okay to change it? So the guy, Muhammad, he says something, the guy, he advised him to write something else. Muhammad, he agree. He said it's the same, write it the same, no problem. So this guy here, he left Islam. Let us see what it says. Then he said whether he returned to Islam before the conquest of Mecca. Okay, so this guy, anyway, he left Islam. The translation is very funny and very stupid here. The guy he left Islam because it's using like an old classical language. Google is it's not easy to translate. The guy, he decided to leave Islam simply because he discovered that Muhammad is a false prophet. And I challenge any Muslim. Here with me, it says, let us see here. The one who said that, he said to me, the Prophet Ibn Abi Hassan said, son of Ahmad, okay, and then he said, Abdullah ibn Sa'id ibn Abi Sarh Aslam, he became a Muslim, and he was writing for the Prophet. He was a scribe, okay, and then if he dictate to him, hearing what he said, he wrote wise. Wise. If he said whatever wise, he wrote hearing all. I mean, this translation is false. Translation is not good. So what is saying here, Muhammad, he says something, the guy, he said I will write this, and Muhammad, he said okay, no problem, write it there.
Okay.
So imagine I'm saying to you, I receive inspiration from Allah, write it for me. And then you start writing, and then you say to me, I think it's better if we write it this way, you know. And then you say to him, you okay, write it the way that you said, it's fine. Obviously it's a false. So the man, he decided to leave Islam. So look what he says here. He said, if Muhammad is a prophet, like it's verses revealed to him, he revealed it, it's revealed to me too, because I am the one who's saying to me, and he agree with me. You see, the translation is false, but still you can understand, right? So he's saying, if Muhammad he received what revelation is, well, I must be a prophet too, because here we go, whatever I say to him, he agree with me. You know. So the guy here, he decided to leave Islam, and he decided to expose Muhammad. So Muhammad, he made a verse about him, and then this guy, because of what he did, he went and he hid in the house of Uthman ibn Affan, because Muhammad, he ordered to his blood to be shed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Muhammad ordered him to kill him. Huh?
Ordered to kill him. Yes, he will never forgive him. This is why he said a verse. It says, I will never forgive the one who says such a thing. But then Muhammad, because he don't want to, Uthman to be upset, when Muhammad became victorious and he entered into Mecca, he said there's 4 people, they have to be slaughtered. 4. There's no mercy for them. It's a must. This guy, he hid in the house of Uthman, and then Uthman, he asked Muhammad, please, for my sake, don't kill him. And then the guy, he converted to Islam back in order to stay alive. And then after that, they say that he became a good Muslim. So how the verse says we will never accept the repentance of anyone who do this to Muhammad, who say that I invented the same as he invented, and then he allow him to come back to Islam and to be a Muslim. So it's false prophecy about the person, saying we will never forgive to him, and here we go, he go back to Islam. But the most important about this story here, that this guy who worked as a scribe for Muhammad, he got Muhammad busted.
Yeah.
And this is actually what the chapter is saying. This is what happened. If you wanna claim to be a prophet, you better not to have a writer for you, because he will get you busted. You know your secret now.
Yeah.
Same story about Abu Sufyan. Abu Sufyan, he was the enemy of Muhammad.
Abu Sufyan, yeah, I heard of it.
And Muhammad, he made verses in the Quran about him. Allah promised him punishment, etc. Right later, Abu Sufyan got paid by Muhammad, and he converted to Islam. He gave him 100 camel.
Abu Sufyan chapter, na, right? It's in the end somewhere. And I was always wondering why Allah have to send chapter for him only.
You see, there's many verses actually about Abu Sufyan's story. As an example, when Muhammad, he said, a dream, that the people of Quraysh, they will be little as army to face him. But when the Muslims, they went to fight the Quraysh people, they found that their number is out their numbers. So Muhammad, he got himself busted. And actually even Umar, he said, when this has happened, I became suspicious about Muhammad being a prophet, because he told them that he saw a dream that like, let me show you the, I'm trying to remember which verse is that. Sometimes it's not easy to remember everything, especially when you need it in the spot right away in your head. But I think it is this one. Let us see. Yeah, chapter 8, verse number 43. Here Muhammad, he claimed that he saw a dream, a vision from Allah. Remember, is the dream Allah showed them to these as a few. So Allah, he showed Muhammad in the dream, in the vision, that the enemy will be few. But the Muslims, they went there, they found them, they are not a few, they are the few. It was the Muslims who are the few. So Muhammad, he got himself busted again. False prophecy. He just told them, Allah, he told me in the dream, and he gave them Quran. This cannot be just a statement hadith. This is Quran, as you see. So he promised them victory, And he's saying to them, well, I saw in the dream that there are a few, but they went to the battle, and they found that they are not a few, and the Muslims, they got busted.
Okay.
You know, when I say to
Yeah.
you I saw a vision, and not only that, I give you a Quran about it. If you go to this one, chapter 8, verse number 43, to the book of Asbab al-Nuzul, 8:43. Let us see what the Muslim will say about it here. Let's go to English. All right. Remember when God showed them to you in the dream, in your sleep, few, as a few, and you so informed your companion of this. They were delighted, and had he shown them to you as many, you would flattered, shrunk. So what Muhammad, he's making an excuse that Allah, he showed Muhammad that they are a few, but they are, in fact, they are not a few. Why he showed them they are a few? Muhammad, he's trying to explain why he was a liar. The reason I told you that Allah, he showed me the few, because if I told you there are too many, you will be terrified. So Allah showed him a false vision.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's like, you know, you go to the fight, and you told me, like you told me in the dream, you saw only few will be there, but they are like twice or three times more than us. So then I make a verse for you saying, oh, well, Allah told me now that if he show me that there are too many, and I tell you that, you will be scared. So Allah, he showed me there are too few, so you will not be scared. How stupid the answer is.
Yeah.
If Allah, he showed them there are a few, how come it's not a few? So this is a false vision.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying now. There are a lot of things which are not, making sense and not matching up. It's like like some kind of a, I don't know. I'll be using this word rightly or not. That some, like people manipulate some people like who are uneducated and all. It seems like that Muhammad had the same kind of personality.
Well, obviously here, you see, if I say to you I am a prophet and God showed me a vision, and then the vision come to be false, isn't it? This is a false prophet.
Yeah, and like there was a verse in Quran that which you are not killing a person, Allah is killing it.
Yeah, now this is I mean, this is just to make them not to feel guilty about killing others, you know. Read with me here.
It's like
When Allah showed them
giving
into thee, O Muhammad, in your dream, on the day of Badr, a few as number, and if he had showed them to thee as many, ye Muslim, you would have flattered. So Allah, he gave Muhammad a false vision. Muhammad here trying to cover himself, he got busted. He told them there will be few, but it was too many. So now he made a false verse saying, oh, Allah, he said to me, yes, the reason he told me to tell you it's a few, I saw it in the dream, because if I tell you the truth, you will be scared.
Yeah.
So my friend, did you decide to leave Islam today?
Actually, if we can say, I'm already out of Islam because I have even stopped saying peace be upon him or Muhammad.
That's wonderful. So now, as
For
long
some-
you decide to leave Islam, so you decide you accept that Muhammad is a false prophet, correct?
Actually, I have already. It's I can say 95%. I am out of it. That is why I called you, because I think you can clear my doubts more if you.
Yeah, I'm trying to help you. If there's something more you want me to help you with, because I want you either to say I am out of Islam, or if you have something else to help you, I will help you, no problem.
Yeah, no, actually, you can say I'm almost out of Islam.
Wonderful, my friend, wonderful. So don't say almost, don't say the word almost. Say I am out of Islam. Let me hear it.
Yeah, okay, you can say that I am out of Islam.
Wonderful, wonderful, my friend. For me, my name is a Christian Prince, and you know that, and I would like to invite you to accept the Messiah as your savior. What do you say?
Yeah, that's right, all right. But actually, thing is this, that I'm always I have been born and grown up as a Muslim. and I felt like cheated all
No, you
these
don't. That's
years.
not. That's not
So
cheating. Are you? Do you feel that you are cheating if you are leaving the devil? You are leaving the devil. You are leaving the false prophet. There's nothing. No cheating here.
I'm feeling cheated that I have been cheated all my life. That I was believing in Allah and Muhammad as, all my life, that he's the truth. So I'm felt so I cannot accept any other religion without studying about it more
No
and
problem.
properly.
Yeah, yeah. I agree with you. You should not accept anything. But can you
Uh,
find someone better than the Messiah to follow, my friend? Do you have
Actually,
something
I
more
was going
convincing?
through some philosophies also, and I came to know about reincarnation. And
Okay.
I that reincarnation stories also make me skeptic about Islam, because according to Islam, we die and we stay in graves till Judgment Day. But there are millions of stories of reincarnation which completely refuses, or you can say claims false, that we go to hell or heaven, or we stay in graves. There is something, it's soul or conscious or whatever, which reincarnate in other bodies.
Hmm. So
So
what do you mean by reincarnation? I think it's a good idea to believe that there's by the way, incarnation is something like even in Christianity we believe that when we go to heaven we will have different body and different nature. So you can say that reincarnation if you as a philosophy. We believe as an example that God he came to us as a man. You
I'm not
know.
talking about philosophy. Actually, I have studied about it from religious point of view. Actually, I am from India,
Hmm.
and I have Hindus on my side, and it's also a Buddhist belief.
Hmm.
So reincarnation is not something new to me, but it was when I searched about it. Then I found that it's scientific research done by some doctors,
Hmm.
and they claimed that yes, reincarnation is real. Then I saw some
When you
documentaries
mean in
also.
reincarnation, that means that a human being he come back as different creature as the Hindu believe.
Yeah, and they remember their past lives, and the birthmarks we have. Yeah,
Yeah,
you
no,
know about
you
that,
see,
no?
for me, I don't believe in those things. But
Yeah.
you see, sometime like you might go to a place and you remember, like you feel like you've been there before, right? But this is have
No,
nothing
that's
to, this is have nothing to do with
data.
reincarnation. This is not true. This is not true. This is not true. You know, uh, actually, it's not even just to believe in this reincarnation, because if God wanna reward somebody. Like okay, according to the Hindu, if you, Allah, if the God wanna reward you and you were a good person, what He will make you in the second life?
Let me tell you something. I'm not buying the stuff which these people are telling, Hindus and
Hmm,
Buddhists.
hmm.
I'm not buying that. I have done my research, and it was done by Dr. Ian Stevenson,
Okay.
and there are other doctors also who have done research, and they have researched around thousands of cases, and they have concluded that anything else, but these people are not lying or something.
My friend, I
These,
don't I don't
they,
believe I don't believe in this, because people they can sometime you see you hear about the global warming and they are done by scientists, and later we discover that because they are trying to collect donation they were scaring everybody, so people they keep donating to their organization to make the whole world fear that global warming will destroy us, and this is the way we can keep in business. So there's many people they fabricate stories and fabricate studies. The same, if the first job I did in my life, it was in a newspaper to correct Arabic words. I wasn't a writer. I just in like the first job I was doing my law degree, and
Mhm.
then for 3 months we have articles, for
Yes.
3 4 months, articles about how bad the coffee, how disgusting the coffee, how crazy the coffee will cause you cancer, will cause you blah blah blah, will cause you etc. And then suddenly the coffee became the best one and tea became the enemy. So it was for a few months, tea is the solution for everything, coffee is the enemy, and then it switched upside down. Why? Because the editor of the newspaper he received a big check, the newspaper, from tea company. So now they start fabricating articles about studies made about tea and how healthy it is, how it's going to strain your heart, how etc. So you know, so when you pay them money, they make the tea your enemy. When you pay them money, they make the tea your friend. The same for the coffee. So there is many what it's called scientific studies. We cannot trust it really to be true. For me,
Okay,
I
okay,
believe this is fiction, because you see, first of all, as long the idea of incarnation of a human being coming back to life, and you know, that means it should happen to me and to you too, not only for a few. Correct?
yeah, that's what that
Okay, I don't remember even I don't even remember what I ate last week. So this is
No, that's
you know, this is a, you know, there's nothing called some cases. Either this is happening for all of us, or this doesn't happen. Some cases this is funny and it's not real. Anyway, my friend, there's many people trying to call, but I invite you, and the Lord is my witness, to accept the Messiah to be your savior. Feel free anytime. If you have a question you like to ask me, you can call me and I will be happy to hear you. But still, before you go, I say to you again, do you feel like you want to accept the Messiah as your savior before you go?
no, sorry, but I have to know. You know, you understand. You have
I
already said
understand. No, I'm
that.
not going to force you, my
I
friend. I'm
was
just
thinking
asking
about
you. No problem. It's all right, my friend. Feel free to call me again when you wish. All right?
it.
Okay,
So
thank you.
you want to hang up now? Because I
Because
have some
I have a
questions.
Muslim trying to call me. Let me hear the Muslim, please. Okay? Hold on.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey, Abdul, how are you?
I'm good. Alhamdulillah. Rabbil
You see
Alameen.
your Muslim brother, he left Islam, my brother. Are you going to leave Islam too?
Sorry?
The previous caller before you, he's from India. He's a Muslim who left Islam. He just left Islam. Did you hear?
What he did?
He left Islam, my friend, just now.
Oh, listen, the people, listen, there's Christians that leave Christianity.
No
There's Jews
problem.
that leave Judaism. There
Yeah.
are people, Muslim, who leave
Did
Islam. You know why?
did Muhammad leave Islam?
Never. Why would he leave Islam?
So why your Quran says that Muhammad, he been ordered by Allah to go and ask Christian prince if he is a prophet or not?
Christian prince, you're a prophet?
No, he asked me to come to ask me as a Christian prince, not as a prophet. He is supposed to be a prophet, but yet he have to come and ask me if he's a prophet
Ask
or
you.
not.
Ask you. When did he came to you?
Here we go. The Quran says he came to me. Isn't it
No,
the Quran
the
says?
Quran came to you?
Huh?
You're such a liar. Listen, first, don't make up stuff by your own self.
Here we
Okay?
go. The Quran in front of us. The Quran in front of us.
You'll put
Chapter
yourself
10,
into more deception.
chapter 10, verse number 94. Read it.
Listen.
I don't know. You listen. No, you listen.
Like,
What?
first, listen.
Why you're a prophet? Why
like
you're a
we just read the
why
ayahs and verses, and that's it. Boom, boom, boom.
Why
no.
you're a prophet? He
Quran or
ordered.
hadith is based on context.
Okay, no
There's
problem.
a history behind.
Okay, tell me
every
the
ayah.
history. Tell me the history. Why Allah he said to Muhammad, if you have a doubt about you being a prophet, receiving Quran from me, go and ask Christian prince.
First, you mentioned to me that why you asked me a question. He left Islam, right? So I didn't finish my answer to you.
No problem.
First. So there's Christians that leave Christianity, right?
Okay.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
There is, right?
Yeah. Okay.
There's Muslim that will leave Islam, you know? Isn't there?
Mm-hmm.
There are Jews that will leave Judaism. Isn't there?
And
there are, of course. In every single, but at the end of the time, right? At the end of the day, as I'm telling them, oh, my religion is better, as you're telling them your religion is better, right? And Jews are telling them their religion is better, right? Isn't it?
No, I'm not saying that. No.
Of course, you are saying that to them.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that Islam is a super cult, stupid cult, violence cult, hateful cult. I'm not saying my is better than you.
No, first listen. Okay, we'll speak about all those things. That how is it? I'm gonna ask you questions about how is it violent, how is it stupid? You know, because you're so smart than Quran, than Allah, than our prophets. You know, peace be upon them. You know, let's see. We'll see about that too. You know, step by step, we'll take it. You know.
Okay.
As we'll not interrupt each other. As I was saying that if you see what's the basics, why are the people that are leaving Islam? You know the reasons for that?
Because Muhammad himself he don't believe Islam. Read with me here with chapter 10 verse number 94. It says that Muhammad he have a doubt about himself being a prophet, and Allah he told him, go and ask Christian prince if you are a prophet or not. I'm not making things up. It's in front of you.
You're not the one.
Who is the one?
I have to go back and check all the ayahs.
Check. Here we go. Okay, check. Here we go. Check. Okay, go check now. Why I have to go? Why I have to now? Chapter 10, verse number 34. I'm listening.
Listen, Quran is not that this is, you know, it's not just a book that you just go.
No problem, no problem. Read 10 verses before. Read 10 verses. My friend, I am giving you your. My friend, I'm giving you your freedom to read. Stop talking. I'm giving you, please. I'm just saying to you, answer it. I don't tell you read one verse or two verse. Read as many you want. Read for me and answer, please. Go ahead. Why Allah He said to him, if you have a doubt about what we revealed to thee, go and ask the Christians. Why?
First, you gotta read the verse before that. The verse, the Quranic.
Read. Okay, go ahead. Read. You read 10 verses before and read 10 verses.
Go show this ayah to the people before that.
Okay, here we go. And let me show you the verses before. Here we go.
What is the verse about?
It's talking about the Jews.
Okay. What does it say?
It says, you know, we settled the children of Israel in a beautiful dwelling place and provide for them the substance of the best. And after the knowledge had been granted to them, that they fell into schism, verily Allah will judge between them as you know, they did in the judgment day. There's no connection between the verse before and the verse after it.
Where's this connection? There's
okay.
Quran is always connected. There's always
connect. Go ahead, my friend. Why you keep blabbering? Why you don't go straight to the answer?
I'm not blabbling. Listen.
Okay, then give me the answer. You know, you know, by the time you give me answer, okay. You know what? I'm going to go to Costco. I'm going to go to Costco, do some shopping, and come back. And I will come back, and I assure you, still you did not answer yet. Are you going to answer? I keep repeating this for the last 20 minutes. What is the reason Muhammad he don't believe is a prophet? Please go ahead and answer.
Listen. Read. If you really go to the Shan and Nuzul, right? The Shan of Nuzul, of which why every single ayah, where every single verse of Quran has been revealed to Muhammad.
Isn't it the same one I showed you yesterday that Muhammad received? You look how hypocrite you are. I showed you the same book. I showed you the same book yesterday. You said to me you don't believe in it.
Okay.
I showed you the same book yesterday. Shut up. Hold on. You can't talk in the same time. We can't talk in the same time. Isn't it me who showed you yesterday that Muhammad received Quran during the Pupu time? And this is from the same book. So now you said yesterday, I don't believe in it. Now you are saying to me, go and read from there.
Listen first. You're making up stuff.
Let us see this guy. Yes, hello? Hello? Your connection is not good. You want to call me? What I can do with you? Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Are you a Muslim, my friend?
I'm good. Thank you.
Are you a Muslim?
I just want you. Sorry? Yes, I'm a Muslim.
Okay, what does that mean?
Sorry?
What does that mean to be a Muslim?
To be in complete submission to God.
Where do you get this definition from?
From the word Islam?
No. Where do you get the word Islam means submission to God? Can you show me?
Sorry, I don't understand. I didn't call for this purpose.
I asked you. No problem. You see, but in order to have a conversation, you say to me, I'm a Muslim, but obviously you do not know what Muslim mean. I never heard anywhere it says that to be a Muslim, it is to be submitted to God. Where do you get this from?
Yes, because what does Muslim mean?
Islam means surrender. Aslam taslam. Islam means to surrender.
What does Muslim mean?
Islam means surrender.
Yes.
Okay.
And Muslim means surrender.
Yeah, surrender is not submit. This is different. Surrender is in a wartime where somebody force you to be surrender to him, not like submission. Submission is something you do willingly.
What does Islam has and Muslim have in common?
What they have? They kiss a
right?
black stone. They kiss a black stone. They hate the Christian and the Jews and the Hindus and the atheists. They want to kill them all.
Why? I don't know why you're jumping from one topic to the next.
You're the one who said to me what the Muslims have in common. I said to you, all of them they have in common hatred, violence.
No, I didn't say that.
Killing. You said to me. Okay, repeat again. So sorry, maybe I got you wrong.
I said that. What does the word Islam and the word Muslim have in common?
That you surrender to the cult of Islam, to the sword of Muhammad. Muhammad, he said, I've been ordered to kill all mankind unless they come and they say I am a prophet.
No, you're taking it the wrong way.
Okay, you tell me. Here we go. The hadith in front of you on the screen.
Didn't Jesus say that I have not come to restore peace, but I have come with a sword?
No problem. Read the verses after it, and you will see that Jesus talking about that we will be killed, not he will kill us, not we will kill you. Jesus, he said, time will come, and people will be thinking by killing you, doing a favor to God. It's not us we will kill. Did Jesus kill anyone?
Okay. By the way,
did Jesus kill anyone?
By the way, any followers?
Did Jesus kill anyone? By the way,
he couldn't.
Okay, no, he could not. Why? Killing is very easy.
How?
Well, when they came to arrest him, Peter, he took his sword and he cut the ear of the soldier. Jesus, he told him, the one who lived by the sword died by the sword, and he put the ear of the soldier back to his head. So Jesus not only he stopped his man from killing somebody, even he healed that man who is coming to hurt Jesus and arrest him and take him to be crucified. So now I ask you, did your prophet says did your prophet says I've been commanded to kill all mankind until they convert to Islam? Yes or no?
Okay, I don't even know what the topic is anymore because you're jumping so much. Which was the topic again?
No problem. We go back to the topic. The topic is prophet was with a false prophecy. Do you have any prophecy Muhammad he said is true?
Yeah, the prophecy of his uncle,
about
which
what?
is mentioned in Quran.
I like this one. Okay,
yeah.
What is the prophecy this one is talking about?
The prophecy means that he will die as a kafir.
Really? It says that?
Yeah, that's what it means.
Okay, let us go and see. Do you remember? Do you remember somebody? His name is Abu Sufyan.
Yes.
Okay, isn't it the Quran says a verse about him too, that he is going to be punished by Allah and he is a kafir?
No, it doesn't say about him. By the way,
don't change topic. Okay,
no, I'm not. You just mentioned this before, just now. You mentioned it just now. That's why I heard this and I called.
Okay.
You mentioned a verse of a man who actually was a Muslim, right? And then he later left Islam, right? And then he went back to Makkah and he said that such and such happened, and then I made a verse and then he accepted it, right? Something like that. Actually, this man converted to Islam during the time of Medina, because we have an authentic source where it clearly says that he became a Muslim after the Battle of Badr. And we know for a fact that this ayah came at the time in Makkah. So it cannot apply to him.
No, it can apply for him, my friend, because simply this guy, he left Islam and he ran away. Do you think he will stay with Muhammad after he left Islam? You are naive, my friend. Secondly, when you say it does not apply for him, then you have to explain the interpretation. When I show interpretation, this is your interpretation by your scholars. So don't say to me it does not apply to him. Who are you to say so? You are there?
But the only problem with your interpretation is that you can take a
first of all, this is
scholar.
not my interpretation. This is your scholar's interpretation.
Yes, I'm explaining it.
All right.
The scholar can really not know about it.
So how you know? How your scholar making a mistake?
Because he could have, because a lot of hadith says our science has improved. We can now tell what hadith came in what time, and it wasn't available to everyone. That's why.
Okay, so you know how, and the scholars do not know how. You, because you are smart, you do not know. And now let me ask you, as long as the story, okay, but the story is documented that this guy, he said to the prophet, he do not know what he's talking about. He say Azizun Hakim, I say etc. He accept what I say. So if he is a prophet, I am a prophet too, and he left Islam. This is a documented story by Muslim scholars, and this is a true story. Why this guy? He said Muhammad is a false prophet?
Because just like you say, it doesn't make him a false prophet. You know.
Okay.
Just like you saying he's a false prophet doesn't make him a false prophet.
Okay. Did you as long you were watching, did you see the verse where Muhammad he saw a dream, and he told them, I saw in the dream that the enemy will be few?
No, I don't know the interpretation. I haven't read about it, so I can't talk about it right now.
So why not?
Because I don't know about it.
Well, if you have a prophecy, my friend, if your prophet is a prophet and he prophesy about Abu Jahl as you claim, right? Then his prophecy should fit everywhere, not only in one case. I can say 1,000 lie, one of them come to be true, and then that doesn't make me a prophet.
It's so sad that you did so much research on Islam, but you can understand Islam.
Well, you are the one who understands Islam. Explain to me how Muhammad he say to them, I saw in my dream that your enemy will be few, and they went to the battle and they found them that there are a lot.
As I said, I haven't done research on this particular verse.
It says that in the front of you. It says that Allah he showed them in the dream that they are few, and go and read the interpretation. They went to the fight and they found that they are not a few. So who is the one? Who is the one who showed this vision to Muhammad? Allah. Yes, Allah says to is yurikumullah. Remember when Allah in the dream Allah showed you. So how Allah he showed him that they are going to be too many, but the few. But when they want to fight, they found them too many.
Were Muslims accompanied by angels? in that fight?
My friend, who care about who is no, they are not. They lost, my friend. They lost. My friend, they lost. There is two Badr. There is Badr Kubra. There's Badr Kubra. There's Badr Sughra. Don't play games. Secondly, hold on. Let me show you. You are the one who said, isn't it the angels fighting with you? Did you say that a second ago? Did you say the angels fighting with you?
This is in Quran in the Battle of Badr.
My friend, there's two battle. Listen, did you say a second ago that the angels fight with you?
Yes, in Quran it says that.
Okay.
That they will come.
All right. So how you explain to me this verse in the Quran, in the chapter of Al-Anfal? Muhammad, he told them in chapter 8, verse number 65 and 66. We are not jumping. We are in the same topic about Muhammad being a false prophet. Prophet. Hold on. Listen. Here we go. This is a prophecy. Muhammad, he prophesied that 100 of you can fight 1,000. And 200 can fight 2,000. Then the Muslims, they came back and they got busted. So Allah, he said to them, now has Allah lightened your burden, for he knew that you have a weakness. So 100 can fight 200. So if 100 can fight 1,000 to 100 can fight 200, what happened? If the angels are fighting with me, who care about how many they are?
Look, you're talking about, okay, tell me this. Didn't Muslim conquer much of the known world?
My friend, it's not Muhammad who conquer, and the Muslim, they never conquer anything. The whole world was collapsing. The Persian and the Roman, they were fighting each other for the last 300 years. And here we go. You Muslims are conquered yourself. All of you are occupied by America. The American colonies all over Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Bahrain, Emirat, you name it. Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, the American army in every place in the Islamic world, in Turkey. So don't tell me now, let me ask you, don't change the topic. Here we go. In the lifetime of Muhammad, he took his army to fight the Roman. Did he conquer the Roman, or he came back and his ass is red?
Okay. No. He went to a battle and the enemy ran away.
What enemy ran away? Nobody ran away. You are a coward. If they ran away, he would chase them. My friend, he went to Tabuk. He did not fight anyone. What are you talking about? It is him who came back. If the enemy ran away, he will continue. Now listen. Explain to me what kind of God he promised you victory if 100 can fight 1,000. And then right away he says, now Allah, he knows, now he found that you have a weakness. Allah do not know yesterday that they have a weakness?
See, as I said, you're misquoting things. You don't understand the verses.
Okay, explain to me. Here we go. You are here. Explain to me. Go ahead. I'm listening.
Am I a scholar you're talking to?
So why you are calling me? Here we go. He's a scholar. So you are misquoting. How you know I am misquoting? How you know I am misquoting, but you do not know even yourself what the verse mean? How you decide in a second that I am misquoting? You are a genius.
You ask me a question. Can I ask you a question too?
What you want to ask me now? We have a problem. We have a problem. You see how you decide I am misquoting? How you made a decision that I am misquoting?
Because you misquoted the first one.
You did not answer about the first one. Here we go. Did you show me a reference?
Yes, about the Abdullah part. I told you.
Where? No, you showed me. No, I showed you the reference. You did not show me a reference. I am the one who showed you your scholar saying this is about Abdullah ibn Sarah.
Hold on. I can show the reference. Stay on the phone. See, well, 1 second. Go to IslamicAwareness.org.
Islamic what?
You'll see the.
Give me the name of the interpretation. Give me the name of the interpretation. What interpretation you want me to go to?
Sorry?
Give me the name of the interpretation. Which interpretation you like me to go to?
Because I'm on a phone, so it's hard for me to go back and forth.
Okay, I will give you 10 hours to call me back. Go. Who is a Muslim Abdul wanna call me? You're a prophet, is a false prophet, proving left and right. He is a big fat prophet. Fat with lies. I show reference, you don't show nothing. You give me speeches, you call me names, but you cannot prove me wrong. The Quran even says that Ibn Abi Sufyan, he will go to hell. And let Abu Sufyan later, Muhammad, he paid him 100 camel, him and his family, each one of them 100 camel, and he converted to Islam because this man, he liked money. And then Abu Sufyan took over Islam. And the one who conquered other countries, it was not Muhammad, it was Abu Sufyan and his family. A bunch of criminals. Muhammad, he hired them for the perfect job. Muhammad could not fight them. He could not win against them. So he said to himself, okay, let us make a verse for them. He says, Al-mu'allafa qulubahum. What is Al-mu'allafa qulubahum? People who don't believe but be by him by money. Have you ever heard of something like this before? Yes, Abbas. Are you there, Abbas? Abbas, are you there?
Hello, can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, we hear you.
Yeah, the topic of today is the prophecies of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yes?
Right, right.
Yeah. So I'm going to give you a prophecy of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
All right.
But ironically, you are the one who proved that prophecy right.
Let us see.
Yes. Okay. I'm going to make a first statement, then I'll prove the prophecy. You always say these things, correct me if I'm wrong, that we have bring you things that Muslims did not know before. Since the internet came along, a lot of things comes out which Muslims never knew before.
Right.
Is that right?
No problem. Go ahead.
Yes. Now, the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam prophecy of Sahih Muslim,
Okay.
if you know the Muqaddamah of Muslim, Hadith number 15.
Can you give me the link so we can put it in the screen so everybody can see it, please?
Don't you have the Sahih Muslim with you?
No, you give me the link you want to show me, a translation of your choice. You tell me what is that.
I'm giving you the reference.
No problem. Give me no. I wanna post what are you reading for us? You see, look how friendly I am. I'm trying to help you to show the evidence you provide. Go ahead, give it to me, please.
What do you want me to do? The link.
Yeah, give me a link. I will open it and I will show it in the screen.
No. I'm giving you the reference. The Sahih Muslim. If you open Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 15, the Muqaddamah of Muslim.
Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 15. Let us see if we can find such a thing in the internet like this by saying Sahih, because the numbers of on Sahih Muslims are different from place to place. So Sahih Muslim. Hadith number 15, that's it. There's no number of a book.
The first book, it's an introduction in the Muqaddamah of Muslim. You know the Muqaddamah of Muslim?
No, I do not know. You tell me. What is that Muqaddimah?
The Sahih Muslim, when it starts, first 93 hadiths are the introduction of the Muslim. He's telling you authentic hadiths from non-authentic hadiths, what can be trusted. This is his Muqaddimah. In that Muqaddimah, the number 15 hadith, which I'm going to read it to you right now, is this.
This is the first book, you mean, right?
It's narrated by Abu Hurairah. Sorry?
You are saying this is the first book?
Sahih Muslim.
This is Sahih Muslim. You see my screen?
Yeah.
You see my screen?
From before the first book, you open introduction.
The introduction. Okay.
Introduction.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Introduction.
And
the prophecy about people like you fits perfectly, 100% perfectly. I'm going to read the hadith to you.
Okay.
You want me to read it?
Go ahead, read it for us.
There will be in the end of time charlatan liars.
We don't hear it. Say again.
There will be in the end of time charlatan liars coming to you with narrations that you nor your fathers heard. So beware of them, lest they misguide you and cause you tribulations. What do you think about that? Doesn't it fit on you?
That's amazing, because your prophet, he's saying that he is a false prophet again, because he is the one who made narration, and he is the one who explained the hadith. As an example, you're a prophet when he said, I want you to focus on me. You are the one who mentioned the hadith about liars who give interpretation which you never heard before, correct?
That's right. Which you and your fathers never heard before.
Okay, no problem. You and your father never heard before. Okay. Here we go.
You are the one who's saying that we bring hadith nobody knew before.
Okay, hold on, hold on. Okay. When the Muslims, when Muhammad he said saqar, and the Muslim they said to him, what saqar? He said to them, this is a hellfire. So they and their father, they never heard of it.
What are you talking about?
Saqar. Do you know what saqar?
No, he's not saying that from me. I'm saying
it doesn't matter. Whenever, okay, when you're a prophet, he will go different one.
Time. He's not.
Hold on. When you're a prophet, he said,
you're panicking.
Hold on. You got your prophet busted. You and your father never heard of it, because I am not the one explaining this to you. It's your prophet and your scholars explaining. Thank you very much. So you're a prophet, he said, as an example. Look at this. You and your father before never heard of that before. They said to him, al-mugharribun. They said to him, who's al-mugharribun? He said, the homosexual. They never heard of it, never heard of a word. It's called mugharribun. He's fabricating stuff. Woman hum al-mugharribun. He said, the homosexual. So here we go. They never heard it before, and their father never heard the word before, and this is al-mugharribun. So what kind of a prophet? So you are the one who said to me, the false ones will come to you with a false interpretation, false words you never heard of before, you and your father. And that's exactly what your prophet he came with.
Can I answer?
Yes.
First of all, you're panicking very badly. Everybody can realize that. Secondly, he's not talking about interpretation there. He's not talking about the questions you never heard the questions before. He didn't say the questions you never heard before. If he says something, then the people asking him questions. He's talking about narrations. He's talking about narration.
No problem. Here we go. Narration. This is narration. Isn't it narration?
You saying it, people say something. He says something. They say, "Oh, no, we never heard this word before." He's not talking about
my friend. He's talking about himself. Okay, hold on. If we ask a Muslim today, what is the interpretation of Muhammad saying, "Whoever comes first, the baby will be a boy, if he's a man, and if the women come first, the baby will be a girl," and they start adding him a chromosome. Is in the hadith there's a chromosome? No. So it is you Muslim who fabricate and add stuff, and your prophet is making prophecy maybe about you, but that does not change the fact that he's a liar too. Because if a woman have orgasm first or the man have orgasm first, that will not change the fact, that will not change the gender, and will not change the look. How you explain to me your prophet being a false prophet here? And you are the one who mentioned to me Sahih Muslim, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. As long as you agree with Sahih Muslim and you're refuting me from Sahih Muslim, so how your Sahih Muslim say such a stupid thing? Read with me. This is Sahih Muslim.
Are you changing the topic?
No, we are not. Here we go. This is Sahih Muslim. Let us see if you heard this before. If nobody heard this before, not me, not my father, not you, not me.
Before you go anywhere, I like to answer you something.
No, don't answer me. Don't change the topic. What kind of a prophet he says? If the women have orgasm first, the baby will be a boy. Abdul, this is a false prophecy. Your prophet claimed to be Dr. Muhammad now, and his God, he told him how the baby is made. So he says to you, a woman, she came to Muhammad and she saw a dream. She is touching her vagina, and she came to Muhammad because Muhammad is a specialist in vagina touching. She said to him, what will happen to a woman if she saw a dream like the man do? Muhammad, he said to her, if she sees something there in her vagina, she have to wash. And then his wife, she said, does this happen? Because his wife, she never have orgasm before. She never witnessed such a thing, so it's new for her. And then he said to her, yes. Otherwise, how can the child resemble her? What the liquid in the vagina of the women have to do with the resemblance of the child to the mother?
Okay. I don't know why you're going to that scientific something, which of course.
My friend, you are the one who quoted for me from Sahih Muslim. I'm showing you from Sahih Muslim.
Let me answer you first. You said to me earlier, you people are the one who fabricate things, you Muslims, yeah? So your prophet actually prophesying about you, not about you, but about Muslims.
My friend, show me in the hadith where it says not Muslims is the one who is talking about. Secondly, how a liar can prophesy about liars? Here we go. I'm showing you he's a liar. He must be prophesying about himself then, because he himself is a liar. Do you agree with this in front of you on the screen? Do you agree with it?
Oh, you misunderstanding.
No, I understand it. Do you agree with him? Either you say yes. If you say yes, explain. If you say no, explain. Go ahead.
Are you saying prophesying? Why a liar prophesy about Muhammad? That's what he said.
Abdul,
didn't say
Abdul, what kind of a prophet he claimed that his God? What kind of a prophet he claimed that his God told him how the baby is made, and he claimed that the liquid, the yellow liquid in the vagina of the women is what make the baby resemble the mother?
First of all, I gave you the hadith. You are not arguing about the hadith anymore.
No, I showed you that this is about you, because I'm not showing you anything from my pocket. I never give interpretation and I give never explanation. I show Ibn Kathir, I show At-Tabari, I show Al-Qurtubi, and I show the hadith. And now here we go. I'm asking you for interpretation for this, not me. Do this.
That
even
hadith is talking about.
Yeah.
That's hadith talking about you bringing narration which nobody heard before, and you
what
are
narration? This is your prophet. This is your Muslim narration, not me. Are you stupid or what? This is Sahih Muslim. This the same book you gave me. You're the one who gave me Sahih Muslim. Now Sahih Muslim is never heard before. So suddenly Sahih Muslim is me who made it.
Can I say, calm down? Why are you panicking?
We are not. People are laughing. Look at this. Even people are making me donation now because of you. MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah. Thank you guys for doing donation, because here we go. We got you a comedy show. The Muslim trying to defend Muhammad, and he looked like a joke because of the defense. Here we go. You choose for me Sahih Muslim. And this is Sahih Muslim.
Why you get donations? You know why you get donations?
Why?
Because you're going to have a heart attack soon, so you need a treatment.
No problem. A Muslim, he opened a chat room for me asking Allah to give me a heart attack, and he died less than 24 hours. His name is Muslim Night. Go and ask about him. Now I am asking you. Hold on. Listen. Here we go. Don't worry about what will happen to my heart. My heart is so strong. I'm so happy. Do you want to do mubahara?
Okay, I hope your heart is strong. I hope so.
Okay, no, I don't want you to hope. I like to die. I don't care. But I care. I don't care for how long I will live. I care to live saying the truth. And now you are getting busted. Explain to us. It's in front of you on the screen. If you're a prophet, is not a false prophet, how he says such a stupid thing?
Okay. Listen, I'm on the way home. So
I am in the way home. Suddenly you are in the way home. Suddenly he's going back to mommy. Suddenly he's not a man. Suddenly he do not know. Get lost. Don't call me again. Let your daddy call me. And suddenly I'm going home now, brother. I'm going home. Yeah. Go and change your diaper. Either he's a prophet or he's not. This is a prophet? A woman, she have a liquid in her vagina. When she have orgasm, that will make me a baby resemble her? True story. Very true story, brother. I mean, I am really convinced. That's it. I'm going to take shahada. Where is shahada? I'm looking for my shahada. Oh, this is my shoe. Watch your heart, watch your heart. Don't worry about my heart. Yes, Abdul, how are you? Do you hear me, Abdul? Hello? Hello? My brother Abdul, before you call me, please, brother, say inshallah. Please. There's a prophet, brother. He forgot to say inshallah. Allah, after having sex with 99 women, Allah gave him half a child. Just because he didn't say inshallah. Be careful, brother. Say inshallah before you call me. Let us go to Zakir Naik and ask him what he think about the yellow liquid. What do you think what Zakir Naik will say, Mr. Yellow Liquid? Only if you are a Muslim, call me, please. I will not accept calls from non-Muslims. Only if you are a Muslim. Only. Who is a brave Abdul? Obviously, your prophet is a scam. Teredem. Tadadam, tadadam. Tadadam, tadadam. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum salam. Dr. Zakir Naik. It is me exactly, the one you're talking to. And I'm very busy. Don't you see we are talking to Dr. Zakir Naik? Show respect, man. I mean, for the sake of Zakir Naik. Brother Zakir Naik, how you explain to me that your prophet, he said that a woman, and you are a doctor, especially you are a doctor, how you explain to me that he said that the woman, if she have a yellow thing in her vagina, that what will make the baby resemble the parent or her? And you as a doctor, I think this is perfect for you to answer. First of all, I understand you and I know your tricks. Your name is the Christian Prince. You send your face and you send your voice, and you think I'm not going to know you. As for the moment, Jibril, he told me that it is you, Christian Prince. Can you deny that? No, I'm Christian Prince. You are right. I told you, I know you. Secondly, when the prophet, he said that it is the yellow in the vagina, that is something because the book is written in yellow paper. It's not because the word there is yellow. What? The book, it's very old book. It's yellow pages. So because the book is yellow, the pointer and the one who is printing it, they thought it is yellow. It doesn't say yellow. So the prophet there, he did not say the word yellow? Absolutely. Is that because the papers are yellow? So it appeared as it is yellow. So what is the color? In fact, there is no color. This is not true. The prophet was saying that the water of the man is thick and the glue of the women is thin. The glue? There's a glue there? Absolutely. As an example, there's a glue, it's very famous, it's called the crazy glue. And you can buy it from anywhere, even from Amazon.com. Crazy glue, take the name. And the crazy glue is taken from there. Crazy glue is taken from women's vagina? Are you sure? Absolutely. Don't you see women, they drive men crazy and they glue them? How a woman she make you marry her? Because of the glue. And this is absolute scientifically correct. And this is how we can prove that Allah is all merciful and women are made by Allah, and it's extremely true, and it is scientific. Thank you, and don't call me again. Thank you very much. What? What? The women there, they have what? Did I hear correctly? Zakir Naik saying that? I can't believe it. Unbelievable. So the word yellow there, it was because of the yellow pages? I mean, Muhammad is super smart, super genius, super knowledgeable, super prophet. How can a child resemble her? Isn't it because the women, she have a thin and yellow liquid in her vagina? Me. If. If you feel like converting to Islam, don't miss the opportunity. Crazy glue is waiting for you. And you know the funny, the Muslims are lined up. They want to call me to defeat me. And Christian Prince, why you are nervous? Why you are nervous, Christian Prince? Me? Yeah, you are nervous. I will have an attack from laughing, my friend. Can I call to talk about Solomon? No, I want Muslims to call me, please. Yeah, we want Muslims to call, please, if you don't mind. The reason we want Muslims to call, because we want people to see the other side of the story and how silly, how stupid Islam is. They have big mouth speaking about amazing prophet, amazing Quran, amazing, but it is the most stupid book ever. Muhammad not only a false prophet, it's a cartoon prophet. The first cartoon prophet. Hello? 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 Oh, we need to recite Quran, brother, before make Skype work. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You know, and they bring someone for you. His voice is nice, so whatever he say is going to sound nice to you, and that will make you believe the Quran is so nice. My friend, those people, they have they have a nice voice. Whatever they're saying is going to be good, even if it's going to be about poo-poo. You want to see how the Quran sound like? Go and listen to Mimi Hijab when he was asking for donation. The Quran sound like garbage. I want to make Quran. Any Abdullah, slave of Allah. Proof in the Bible, carried Yasin. Carried Yasin. They asked carried Yasin. Why the Prophet he married Aisha? He said, Allah, he showed him a dream that you have to marry Aisha. A prophet, the wicked prophet who is seeing a dream to have sex with a child. She is 5 years old. A wicked prophet. Yes, Abdul.
Hello.
Yes, Abdul.
How are you, Judas?
Do what?
Judas.
Judas? What about him?
The one who betrayed Jesus.
Do you believe in the story of Judas?
No, I don't.
So why your prophet believe in it then?
Let me ask you one question.
No, don't change the topic. Don't change the topic. Don't change the topic. You open a key with me. We have to finish it. No, I don't accept. No, please. You mentioned the word Judah, and you said you don't believe in Judah. So why your prophet believe in Judah?
Why does it say Judas?
What if I show you that he do?
Show me.
If I show you, what you will do?
Nothing.
Nothing.
If I show you Jesus
let me
was
ask.
a man,
Hold on. According to your prophet,
if I show you Jesus was a man, what would you do? How can someone that died can be a god? Hey, I can die. Can I be a god?
You're a coward. You change topic. You cannot even stand for the topic you mentioned to me. Potato, let your dad call me. If you are not a man enough to talk about what you call me for, then don't continue. What if I show you that Jesus did not die? So let us say he did not die. Why you are calling me back?
What?
Why you are calling me back?
Because I asked you a question, you don't want to answer me.
Why you don't want to answer about what is in the screen? Are you ashamed of your prophet that he said that the women, her child resemble her because of a liquid in her vagina, it is yellow and thin?
What? I can't see it.
Why you cannot see it? Why you cannot see it? Why you cannot see it?
Because I'm on a phone.
No problem. I will give you the link. Is that okay?
I wanted you to talk about the other verse that you mentioned earlier.
What?
And in which you said that call me back.
How come you can see that verse but you cannot see this one?
No, because I wrote it down.
You know what?
The science is called Ilm al-Rijal. One of the biggest reference in that field is Usud ul-Gaba.
What are you talking about? What?
In the entry concerning Abdullah ibn Sa'd,
okay,
we find the following, according to the science of Hadith. He converted to Islam before the conquest of Makkah and immigrated to Prophet in Medina.
Correct.
He used to recall revelation for the Prophet before he apostatized and went back to Makkah.
Okay.
Then he told Quraysh, I used to orient Mohammed wherever I will. He dictated to me all powerful, all wise, and I suggested all knowing, all wise. So he would say, yes, it is all the same.
Perfect. Okay.
So here you see a problem, which you said the ayah came in the time of Makkah. However, it clearly says that this man converted to Islam later.
What do you mean later? He converted to Islam again,
Yeah,
my
after
friend. No,
after the battle of
no,
Badr.
no, my friend. He converted to Islam later. Later, he converted again. He was a Muslim. He became a scribe to Muhammad. He was with Muhammad, living actually almost all day long with him because he's a scribe. And then when he decided he got Muhammad busted that he's a false prophet, he ran away and he left Islam. And then he converted to Islam again.
Yes, but what I'm saying is that the verse does not talk about it because of that reason.
My friend, you see, you are trying to defend what you are talking about by fabricating your own story. But however, your scholars agree that this is about him, and we cannot run away from that.
They say that it is about someone who forges. They make their own religion, like Paul, for instance. You know, Paul.
Did you mention Paul?
Yeah, I think it's talking about anyone like Paul.
Okay.
You know, he made his own religion.
Okay. So are you a man enough to stand up and to stand for what you just said about Paul?
Yes.
Okay. So if I show you Paul is a messenger of Allah, what you will do?
I do not agree there's a messenger of Allah.
If I show you that Paul is a messenger of Allah in Islam, what you will do?
Show me in Quran.
No problem. Quran and tafsir, is that the problem?
No, not from tafsir. I need the name.
Why
because,
not? Why not from tafsir?
the
What's wrong with the tafsir these days? I mean, why the second I say to you tafsir,
because you can take any tafsir from someone who didn't know anything about Islam. Anyone can write tafsir.
Okay, who is the one? Okay, who is the one? Hold on. Who is the one you accept him to be lawful to explain to us the tafsir? Which mufassir you follow?
No, you tell me the ayah and I can check.
No, you don't. No, you don't check. I will get you busted. Because let us make it simple for you. Let us make it simple for you. You see, I'm going to shut you up. You're a coward like your prophet. I want you to show me. I want you to show me one time first before I go and show you. One time your prophet, he said Paul is the one who corrupted Christianity. How come your prophet never says so?
Because he's nothing. Paul is nothing. Paul is just a loser who's gonna burn in fire forever.
Okay, Paul is nothing. Yeah. So Muhammad, he cannot say who is the one who corrupted Christianity.
Everyone knows it's Paul.
Yeah. Everyone knows who is Paul. That is a joke. Your prophet do not know, because if he knew, why he did not mention it?
Because we only talk about important people.
What?
If we only talk about important people. Quran only talks about important people.
Okay, let me ask you. Okay, let me ask you. You're a prophet. He said there's no prophet between me and Isa. Do you agree with the hadith?
Yes.
Okay. The Quran says that there is a 3 messengers sent by Allah, and they are the messengers of Jesus. Do you agree with the Quran?
Messengers of Jesus?
Yeah.
The messengers could mean anything. Could mean angels. Could mean like, for instance, Paul. I mean, not Paul. For instance, what was his name? John.
Okay.
John the Baptist.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let us see. First of all, let us go and laugh together. Do you speak Arabic, my friend?
No, I don't.
Do you have somebody speak Arabic? He can help you.
No, not right now. No.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Why you don't have anyone right now, right here? Why you cannot? You don't have one person in your phone you can call him to join us?
No, I don't have anyone right now.
Oh, that's sad. I mean, that's really bad. Okay, let us see then. Okay, if I asked you right now to read for me, have you ever heard of Al-Imam Al-Alusi?
Imam
Al-Alusi.
Yeah, I've heard of.
Okay,
Andalusi.
Alusi. Is he bad or good?
I don't know. I've never read about him.
Okay, he said that Paulus is the messenger of Allah and he is the messenger of Jesus.
He probably made a mistake.
Okay, forget about him. I was going to show you what he said, but okay. Did you hear about Tafsir Nuzam al-Durar?
No.
Okay. Did you hear about? Did you Ibn Kathir? You want Ibn Kathir?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Did he say Ibn Kathir?
No, I'm asking you. Show me in Ibn Kathir.
Okay, but I'm saying, are you sure you want Ibn Kathir?
Yeah.
So if we cannot find it in Ibn Kathir, you want to accept it? Only Ibn Kathir you like?
Yep.
Okay, guys. Sadly, how we can find this in Ibn Kathir? Can you call me a month from now so I can look for it in Ibn Kathir?
It's not Ibn Kathir.
It's not in Ibn
Can you tell
Kathir.
me? Can you tell me the ayah at least? Or are you gonna do a surprise thing again?
But my friend, if
always doing surprise ayah, surprise verses.
Can you come back after a month because I need to look for it?
No, can you tell me the ayah? You know the ayah, right? You don't know the ayah?
I need time, my friend. You are not giving me time, and this is like embarrassing. Can you give me?
So you are a dishonest person, just like Judas.
Okay, my friend, if I show it you from Ibn Kathir, do you promise you to open your camera and do the monkey dance?
Just like Judas? Just like Paul?
Yeah, like Judas, no problem. Like your prophet. Here we go. It's in the front of you. It's in the front of you from Ibn Kathir. It's in the front of you from Ibn Kathir.
Paul was a liar, my friend.
Shut up. You said to me,
Jesus.
Shut up. You said to me Ibn Kathir, and this is Ibn Kathir, you donkey. Here we go. Everybody is laughing at you.
You pick and choose tafsir. Oh, maybe I can find from this, maybe I can find from that.
Abdul, you are the one who chose Ibn Kathir, so you cannot say it is you who said it is you. Yes, he is sinless. Don't change the topic, coward. This is Ibn Kathir in front of you, and he says that Paul is the messenger of Jesus. Read it. Read it.
I can't read it right now.
Why you can't read? It says the first two names of the messenger were Shamun and Yohanna, which means Simon Peter and John, and the name of the third is Paulos. This is the name in Arabic. And the messengers, they went sent to Antakya, so you Muslims, you call Paul names because you are a bunch of donkeys. When you're scholars, they praise Paul and he say he is a messenger of Allah. And not only that, they claim that Paul is the most powerful messenger of the three sent by Allah. So
it can just be a mistake.
You need to apologize. You are the one who said. You are the one who said to me. You are the one. Shut up. You are the one. You are the one who said to me. Shut up. Shut up, donkey. You are the one who said to me. Show me Ibn Kathir. Shut up, you donkey, son of a muta. You see the coward? He said to me, I believe in it if you can find it in Ibn Kathir. I told him I cannot find it, so he get excited more. He said, yeah, I know only Ibn Kathir. Are you sure? Yes, only Ibn Kathir. And now we show it to him from Ibn Kathir. The donkey starts shouting because the devil is inside them. Do you see how we get them busted? You are talking to Christian Prince, my friend. Me, myself, I will never debate myself. Last time I debated myself in the bathroom, I was looking at the mirror. I lost. I will never debate myself. It's the biggest mistake ever. Show me Ibn Kathir. Okay, show me Ibn Kathir. Okay, here we go. This is Ibn Kathir. Garbage in, garbage out. Barbecue. I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder. And all what I can see, a bunch of Abdul collapse around me. I turn my head up and down. I turn it around, and all I can see, Muhammad, false prophet around me. He is a big fat liar. We got him busted. And what he can do about it, he can do nothing. Quran, Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. This is a prophet of God. And the funny Muhammad, he said, there's no prophet between me and the Isa. So who are they, those? Not only that, it says in the Muslim books that those messengers, they resurrected people from the graves. They did what? They resurrected people from the graves. They have miracles. Don't call me your kid. We talk to men, not to children. Let your dad call me. I wonder how, I wonder why. And all what I can see, a bunch of donkeys around me. Ta 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 ta. See? Yeah, actually, one of you actually he sent me a message in Skype about Muhammad is stealing verses from Paul. But my friend, he did not steal verse from Paul only. He stole tons of verses from Paul, from John, from Luke, from Mark, from the Old Testament. You know, yeah. The brother who sent me this message, he is saying that Muhammad he stole a message, or let's say verses from the Bible, from 1 Corinthians chapter 2, verse number 9. And this is exactly really what it says in the Quran too. All right. But let us not to burn our papers. Let us not to show everything we have to the Muslims. You see, the Muslims, because he is following satanic prophet, in order to get him busted, you need to trick him. If you show him that he is, if you tell him what you will say, if you know what exactly he will say next, he will change the direction of the talk, and he will not say what he's just said. They are people who of dishonesty. I don't debate Muslims. You have to trick them because they are not people of honesty. When you debate somebody, like I'm assuming if I debate somebody is a Hindu, he will not lie about his religion, even though I don't believe in it. If I debate somebody is a Buddha, he will not lie about what he believes. But when you debate a Muslim in order to defend Islam, he do everything. And number one thing he do, he lie.
Hello.
So you are not driving now?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so
why you always accuse people of lying?
What we were talking about?
We were talking about that the prophecy fits on you.
And I showed you your prophet. He said that a woman, if she have a liquid in her vagina, that will make the baby resemble the parents. What do you say about that?
Is that a prophecy?
Isn't it?
How come that be a prophecy?
Okay, so if I prove to you that this is a prophecy, so okay.
That's a medical thing, man. What's wrong with you?
Okay, my friend. If I show you that this is a prophecy, okay. If I show you that this is a prophecy, what you would do?
What do you mean? If you show me a prophecy,
if I show you that this is a prophecy, you are saying to me how this is a prophecy. So if I show you that this is a prophecy, what you would do?
I told you I'm not going to eat McDonald's tomorrow.
You are funny. I thought you would say I'm going to drink camel urine tomorrow. Why McDonald's? Why you don't follow Muhammad the Sunnah?
What Sunnah is?
The Sunnah is to drink camel urine.
Can you show me that as a Sunnah?
What McDonald's? I will show you. But here we go. This is nothing.
I challenge you if you show me that's a Sunnah.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, 100%. Show me if that is a Sunnah to drink camel urine.
Okay.
Yep. You're busted.
Let's see.
Let's see.
And this is the book you like. I will show it to you from the book you like. Which book? Which book you like?
So nice, yeah.
Which book you like? Sahih Muslim or Sahih Bukhari? Which one you like?
Doesn't matter if it could be Tirmidhi, anybody as long as it's authentic, yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Yep.
The hadith in the front of you. I want you to read it in the screen.
Okay. Yeah. Can you show me the source? Sahih al-Bukhari.
Sahih al-Bukhari.
Yeah. Yeah. And the hadith says the climate of Medina did not suit some people. I know this hadith. This is not a sunnah.
This is not a sunnah. So the Prophet he ordered people to drink camel urine, not a sunnah.
No, sunnah. Sunnah is. Listen.
My friend, okay, no sunnah. Okay, no sunnah. Let us not change the topic. Anyway, so why your prophet you order? Why you're a prophet? Why you're a prophet? He ordered them to drink the camel urine.
Can I answer?
Yeah.
This is a special case of sick people. Sunnah means everybody is obliged to follow. That is the sunnah. Sunnah you cannot ignore. No one can ignore.
In the hadith, it doesn't say anything about being sick. This is stupid. It's a lie. It doesn't say that. Do you see the word sick there? Do you see
the people were ill?
What?
People were ill.
Where are they? Where it says they are ill?
Okay, bring the hadith proper back because I can't see the whole.
And let us say they are ill. So how Muhammad he discovered that this is a medicine? This is from Allah or from him?
Don't change the topic here right now. We're talking about Sunnah here. Sunnah means that every Muslim is obliged to follow the Sunnah.
All right.
Either Muhammad.
So if Muhammad he order you in the case you are sick to drink camel urine, that will make it Sunnah. So in the case of you being sick, you drink camel urine. You don't take antibiotic.
If you are ill, yes.
Okay. Look, so you Muslims. So are you saying to me, you Muslims, when you get sick, do you go to the hospital or you go and buy camel urine?
Okay. Now you confused like confused.com.
I'm not confused. You are the one who said to me they are sick. Okay, no problem. They are sick. So when you Muslims get sick, do you go by the advice of your prophet where he said to you drink? Because it says he ordered them. He ordered them. He did not advise them. He ordered. It was an order. This is Sunnah. Okay.
Yeah, those people who have a special stomach disease.
Okay.
That's what these people had. They had a special stomach disease.
Okay.
And do you know the whole hadith? They got cured.
No problem. Your prophet he put nails in their eyes, right? He put nails.
The medicine of Muhammad ﷺ cured them. They got healthy.
No, he did not kill them by the medicine, my friend.
Cured them. Cured, not killed. Cured them.
Cured them.
The urine and milk, they become healthy after.
As I know, he killed them.
No, kill comes after, and I'll tell you why he killed them.
Okay.
You know why?
How he killed them? Do you know?
Okay. Do you agree the first points I make to you?
No,
they got by drinking the camel urine.
No, I don't agree. This is what the Muslims claim. How we know?
So you're picking and choosing now.
I know. I'm not choosing. Here we go. I challenge you when you get sick. I challenge you when your son gets sick. You give him camel urine. You don't take him to the doctor.
So you are agreeing that he asked them to drink camel urine and milk. You're agreeing that part, but you're not agreeing they got healed.
I don't agree about anything. I don't know if this story is true or not. This is your Muslim books. How I have no idea. Maybe the whole story is a fabrication.
Then
maybe the whole. I don't agree about anything. The whole Quran. Do I agree with the Quran? If the Quran says something, no. I'm just showing you because we are laughing. It's stupid. Now let me. Here we go. Let's ask you. You know.
Let's go back.
Who is the one? Who is the one who said to Muhammad to drink camel urine?
Who's the one who said to Muhammad?
Yes. Where Muhammad he got his knowledge about camel urine? Is that from Allah?
Well, of course, he is a messenger of God.
Okay.
And,
so how come when I say to you that when he said to the women she have a liquid, it's yellow, is going to resemble the parents, you said to me, how you know that this is a prophecy?
Yes, exactly. How do you know that's a prophecy?
A second ago, you just said to me that the camel urine obviously from Allah, so it's a prophecy. Who is the one who prophesied to him that this is a medicine? Who is the one who prophesied? Who is the one who told Muhammad that the yellow liquid in the vagina will make the baby look like the mother? Muhammad his own or Allah told him?
So you're saying everything comes from Allah is a prophecy?
I am not. Yes, anything for sure, because anything we do not know is a prophecy.
Is a prophecy.
Yes.
Which is meaning talking about.
Okay. Let me show you that this is a prophecy. But if I show you, are you willing to admit that you are a donkey?
You want me to sound like one?
Sure, absolutely. Why not? Here we go. As long as you agree, let us go for it. Here we go. This is the hadith in front of you. You agree to sound like a donkey if I show you that. A Jew came to him and he said to Muhammad, I will ask you 3 questions. Nobody knows save a prophet of God. Prophet of God. No one knows those answers except a prophet of God. Okay. And he said to him,
yeah. I'm listening.
What consists the Jews said, what would consist their breakfast when they enter paradise? The holy prophet replied, a coal of the fish liver. He, the Jews, said, what would be the food later this after this? He the holy prophet said, a block which was fed in different quarter of paradise, and he would be slaughtered for them. Then the Jew, he said, what they would drink? The holy prophet, he said, they would be given a drink from the fountain which named Salsabil. This is a magical drink. When you drink from it, you become youth. A Jew, he said, how, and I come to ask you about things which no one among the people in earth knows except apostle. Except what? A prophet. That's it. It's prophecy. The one or one or two men beside him. This is additional to the translation, by the way. And then he said, he, the holy prophet, said, would it benefit you if I tell you that? The Jew, he said, I would lend my ear. And then he said, I have come to ask you about the child. He, the holy prophet, said that the man productive is white and the women productive is thin and yellow. And when they have sexual intercourse and the man come first, the baby will be a boy, and the women come first, the baby will be a girl. And this is the degree of Allah, and he quoted the Quran. Now, is that a prophecy?
Is there a prophecy? No, it's not a prophecy.
No,
because these things already exist. If we believe there are children born from men and women, these things are already being happening. So prophecy is something which doesn't happen before, it's going to happen in the future. So this is not a prophecy. This is, we are living in the time people are getting born, getting pregnant. So this is not a prophecy. This is just a medical information. It's not a prophecy.
What if I show you that Muhammad, he said that the one who told him now that is Jibreel? What you will do?
Jibreel is giving him information.
Yeah, it is Jibreel who told him.
Something already exists. It's not giving him that's going to happen in the future, which never happened before. So this is a prophecy.
No, my friend. Prophecy. No, prophecy. No, prophecy is something only God knows and nobody knows. The Quran says, "Wala ya'lamu ma fil arham illa Allah." Stop lying. Nobody knows what is in the womb except Allah. So this is nobody knows how the baby will be, male or female, except Allah. And now Muhammad, he is explaining to you based in what he received from Jibreel. And he told him, Jibreel now just told me. Jibreel now just told me. I just received this from Jibreel. This is a prophecy. So now Muhammad, when he said that, did he say something truthful or he got himself busted?
Okay, if I tell you something about the how heart functions.
Do you see your prophet saying that? I want you to read for me first. Do you see it says Jibreel has just now informed me? Do you see it?
Informed about what? The question
about the question. He said to him, I will ask you questions. I will ask you questions nobody knows except the prophet of Allah. Okay, then which only prophet can answer. Do you see it? When is the first sign of the hour? What is the first people will eat in paradise? And what does attract the similarity to the father or the mother, which means the look or the gender? Then Muhammad, he replied, Jibreel has just now informed me
of the answers.
Yes, so this is coming from Allah. Jibreel have knowledge from who? From Allah, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so yes, Allah he sent Jibreel to give support to Muhammad and to tell him the answer. This is cheating. So now Allah gave the answers to Muhammad. So now how you say to me this is not a prophecy? Muhammad he prophesied, and the guy he said prophecy is not about something will happen in the future. It's something nobody knows. It's unseen. So how this guy he said Jibreel just told me, and how this guy he claimed that only Allah know this, and how this guy he said such a thing, and you say to me this is not a prophecy?
Can I say something now?
Does it say here only prophet know it? Only prophet?
You have to let me explain what I'm trying to say. Right or wrong, let me explain, then you can bust me if you want to. Yeah. First of all, this whole hadith I can assure you this is nothing wrong in it. I will explain that to you as well. Let's not waste our time that it's a prophecy or not prophecy. Let's say for the sake of argument it's a prophecy, even though I disagree with you. The last bit is not prophecy, that's a medical information. The first two are prophecies, what you can have in the paradise, what drink you're going to have, that's a prophecy, yes. But the last bit is already exists, these things already happening. Children, let's say for the sake of argument it's prophecy. I think I'm giving you an impression that I can't back it up. I think I'm giving you an expression that is false. It's not. I can even prove that is true. What he said is true. That is true.
How?
Yeah. Okay. Can you bring that part up? Because I'm seeing your screen. I can't see the last bit. Okay. Can you put the last bit again?
Let us see.
Yeah. And let's say I disagree with you. It's not proxy, but
as for the child,
to prove this right.
If the child, as for the child, if the man discharge precede the women, the child attract the symmetry of the man, and if the women discharge precede the man, then the child attract the symmetry of the women. This is your Muslim translation. In Arabic, it says actually more clear than this. It says if the man have orgasm first, the baby will be a boy. If the women have orgasm first, the baby will be a girl. So now, what do you say?
So if a man have orgasm first,
yes, the baby will be a boy. And let me show you more hadith too to confirm that. So you don't.
Is the same hadith similar thing?
It's the same. It's the same. And this is sahih. And this is sahih. This is sahih. Here we go. This is about who is coming first. Do you see it? It's about who comes first. As simple as that. This is sahih. And
it's a little delay, but it's coming up. It's a little delay. Can you? Is a thick white and okay? The Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said yes. It's a sahih. Yeah.
Okay.
The Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said the man's water is thick and white, and the woman's water is thin and yellow. Whichever of them comes first, the child will resemble. No, this is talking about resembles, not the gender.
The resemble is about gender, my friend. The other hadith complete this one. They are the same story. Anyway, let's go. Let us go with resemble. Let's go. Don't change topic. Let us say, okay, do you really believe in this garbage that if the women have orgasm first, the baby will look like the women? If the man have orgasm first, the baby will look like the man?
Are we talking about the previous hadith or?
We're talking about both. It's the same story. I'm just showing you both because both is confirming the same story. Whoever comes first, and the other one it says the same, and the other one it says the same. Whoever comes first. This is about whoever comes first. So you're a prophet claiming that Jibreel told him that. Jibreel told him that.
Let's say both are same. Say if the man comes first, it's going to be a boy. If the woman comes first, it's going to be a girl. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, what my understanding of science is, how it takes, because last time we talked about it, and I looked into it. Now the man have chromosome X and Y.
This is about chromosome, about who come first, my friend. What chromosome? Do you see chromosome there? Be honest. Be honest with me. Be honest with me. Come on, don't be garbage. What is the chromosome? What the chromosome, man? Whoever comes first.
I'm not saying it's there. I'm saying why it takes place, why this happens, why this happens.
Whoever comes first, whoever comes first. What a chromosome. What a chromosome, buddy. Whoever comes first.
Yeah. I'm going to explain that to you. If you give
explain, I'm listening. Go ahead.
But you're not listening. You're not letting me speak, man.
Don't add things is not there. Don't fabricate things. Shame on you.
I'm not saying Prophet said that about the chromosome. I am telling you.
It says no. I know how the baby is made. You know, Jibreel told me too.
Tell me.
Jibreel told me.
Why sometimes is a boy? Why sometimes is a girl?
I will tell you why. According to us in the Middle East, if you go in the bus and the bus is so busy, if the driver he hit the brake fast, and then you have a woman in front of you, she will deliver a boy. If the woman she is behind you, she will deliver a girl, according to Jibreel. But this is my Jibreel now. Now give me the answer. Stop playing games.
Look, if you don't let me speak, then I can't give you.
No. I'm letting you speak. Give me the answer.
Okay, I'm giving you the answer. Then you tell me where I made it wrong, where I made a mistake. Let me finish my answer. Okay. Now we know science tells us when the chromosomes of X and Y mix up, then it's a boy. Okay. But when X and X, that's a girl. Yeah. Now
what X and X? What a chromosome? Your prophet saying whoever comes first, my friend, stop playing games. Whoever comes first.
I don't think you'll give me a chance. I think you just make
what chromosome? Whoever of them comes first.
I have to explain to you how I understand this. His explanation.
Explain to me what the hadith is saying. He says comes first. He didn't say chromosome.
I tell you.
And my friend, he said the word of the women is thin and yellow. He's speaking about women, liquid, sexual liquid, not the egg. Not the X and Y. because the X and Y is not the water in the vagina. What the water in the vagina have to, with the X and Y, my friend?
I don't think you're going to give me a chance.
No, I am giving you, but you are trying to run away. You actually are trying to make me hang up on you. You are trying to do that because this is the only way to escape. Your prophet is getting busted. He cannot be a prophet. Your prophet is a scam. What is the liquid? This is the liquid of the man. The liquid of the man is thick and white. This is the cum of the man. And what is the liquid for the women is thick and yellow. And the woman, she is asking him, should she wash her vagina? He said yes, if she see that. If she see it, it is something you see. It is not internal, it is external, it's outside. So if she see that, she have to wash. And Muhammad, he claimed that the liquid you see in your vagina, you see, not something you don't see, something outside. Okay, so if you see that will make you resemble the child. Do you see it? This is the hadith Sahih Bukhari too. The woman, she came to Muhammad and he gave the same explanation. Yes, if she noticed the water, i.e. this is charge. If she noticed the water, i.e. this charge, this is not something inside the woman. The egg is inside the woman. The woman, she never see the egg. She will never see it. So yes, if she noticed that, if she see the water, i.e. the discharge, Salama smiled and she said, does a woman even have this charge? Because Muhammad, he made his wife have this charge. So Allah Apostle said yes. Then why does the child resemble his mother? So your prophet claim that this is charge, which is the liquid which the woman she see in her vagina, not the egg. So there's no X, there's no Y. Stop playing games.
You keep repeating yourself, and I'm not going to go anywhere. If you are the one who's going to switch me off, I'm not going to, because I'm ready to give you answer. But you don't want to hear the
you don't have an answer. Stop talking about X and Y. It's a lie.
You're not even giving me a chance.
Okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
I have the chance. I have the answer. Okay.
Okay.
If you can disagree with me, that's fine. But only give me like a minute or two to explain what I'm trying to say.
No problem.
The Prophet ﷺ says, if the man discharge first, it's going to be a boy. If the woman discharge first, it's going to be the girl. So how that happens? We analyze what happened here now. The woman, if the woman discharge first, yes, woman has in her thing X chromosome in her egg, yeah.
Oh boy. Women, she have X, Y. Go change your diaper. Everybody can smell it, my friend. The smell is all over. The poop is all over. I mean, how stupid, how silly are you trying to defend the stupidity of your prophet? Unbelievable. X and Y. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Although we have a Muslim here, he's trying to call. He's desperate to call me. Hold on. Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Yes, Abdul, how are you?
Would you like to talk about the Bible, or are you going to run like a coward?
Well, I like to run like a coward because we have a topic now.
Do you want to talk about the Bible?
So why you don't want to talk about your prophet saying that the woman, if she have orgasm first, the baby will be a girl, and if the man have orgasm first, the baby will be a boy? Are you ashamed of your prophet?
Why do you run from the Bible?
My friend, because the topic is not about the Bible now. We are speaking about a topic. Do you have a head title? Do you see prophet with false prophecy?
Islam.
Huh?
Can you defend Christianity?
I do not need to defend. I do not. You are going to do the job for me, and you will see how. Now, can you answer this, and we go to the Bible? No problem.
All right. What's the question?
You're asking me what the question? I'm talking about it for the last 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and you ask me that question. Go watch and call me after you see it. Go ahead. Let's see the second Abdul. This guy, he's saying he's a Muslim. He can explain. Okay, all right. Oof. Abdullah is sending me debate, sending me videos of the potato, the first potato. He's sending me videos of Zakir Naik. Guys, they ask Zakir Naik, why a Muslim woman she cannot be there's why in Islam there's no Muslim woman she is a prophet. Zakir Naik, he said, the title asking question, and it's very legitimate, and I have to say, and I have to agree, in Islam we don't have a woman she's the prophet. And there is a very legitimate reason. Other example, if a woman to become a prophet, they have to lead the congregation. If they lead the congregation, they have to bend over. If they bend over, the Muslim they will disturb and they will not pray for Allah. Thank you very much. What the heck? If a woman in Islam she became a prophet, she have to lead the congregation. If she do that, she have to bend over, and if she bend over, all the Muslim will look at her ass. And the Muslim like, hey, Allahu Akbar, amazing answer. What an answer, you idiot. You just said that Muslims, they will forget about Allah if they see an ass of a woman. And this is the reason not to have a woman as a prophet. And you Muslim, you clap, Allah, hey, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. A donkey teaching donkeys. Well, there is no surprise if this is what the prophet he's saying there. If the women have orgasm first, the baby will be a girl. If the men have orgasm first, will be a boy. By the way, if I get married, I will never have orgasm first. I don't want my son to look like me. That's disgusting. Good news, good news. I was really worried. I was really worried that I will get married and my son will look like me. But now we found a solution, brother. All what we need to do, I will not come first. And that will guarantee that my children will look like my beautiful wife. True story. By the way, brother and sister, don't forget to subscribe. If you are a Muslim, subscribe and unsubscribe, because if you do that, Allah will give you extra deed, as Allah he said in the Quran. Have you ever heard of such a crazy religion? He said to them that if you do good deeds, it's going to double the bad deed, which means it's going to erase one deed and give you double. So now subscribe to me, brother, Muslims, and then unsubscribe, because that will give you double the credit in Allah. I mean, how this funny is this? Unbelievable. Christian Prince is very handsome. My friend, those who lie, they go to hellfire. Don't do that. Don't do that. He's lying, he's lying. He said the Christian Prince is handsome. This is a big fat lie. Don't tell me you are a prophet Muhammad, peace upon him. Don't do that. Anyway, do we have any Abdul? Who's next? Anyway, guys, I think we have enough for today. Did we have a good time? Did we have a good time? If you like our what we do, don't forget to subscribe and to share our videos and download them. All my videos are for free. I don't care. You know, I get happy when I see people downloading the videos. I'm not like others who, if you download the video, get upset and even they flag you. I don't do that. I am here to serve, not to be served. And my videos is not made for me. I'm sick of this stupid cult. I know it all. Every millimeter in my brain is full of information about it. This is the garbage of the garbage. So I'm not wasting my time here for my friend. I'm here teaching you, showing you, saving your kids from the lies of Islam, so they will not be fooled and convert to Islam. Saving your family, saving your wife, saving your children, saving everybody around you. In order to accomplish something important, we have to work together. I did my part, so please do your part. Download the video, share it with your friends. Yes, it's funny. Yes, it's a comedy, but this is not the purpose. The purpose is to educate you. And the smart teacher is the one who made nobody in the class getting bored. You will never be bored in my class. And the guy who is saying to me that a Christian Prince come together for gay baby, You remind me of your prophet putting eyeliner 3 times a day, gay baby. A prophet who do, hold on, please, come on, show respect, show respect. A prophet, you know, you ask the Muslims why the prophet he have sex with a child. They say in the old days women, they used to be mature very very fast. Okay, the women, they used to be mature very fast. Okay, let it go. Okay, the prophet was kissing a man down his belly. Is that because the man was mature very fast too? Unbelievable. I wonder how, I wonder why. You told me about the blue sky, and oh, and by the way, even the blue sky in the Quran. Anyone knows why the blue sky is a blue according to Islam? Who knows? Who remember why the sky is a blue according to Allah teaching? Who remember? The one who remember, I will give him a free ticket one way to Afghanistan because of a blue mountain. Thank you very much. Absolutely. I mean, this guy Muhammad is so clever, man. He know all. He know everything. It's a mountain surrounding the earth from every direction. It's called Qaf. Qaf, brother. Mountain Qaf is very well known mountain, but we cannot see it because it's a blue. Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy, mommy blue. Oh, mommy blue. Oh, mommy, mommy. Oh, mommy, blue mountain surrounding the earth from all direction, and this is where the sky is coming from. I mean, that is something. What? Let it go. Well, this is verse number 1. Where we need verse number 1. What? This is verse number 43, and I'm clicking for nothing. Unbelievable. Look at this. And from his narration, or let me read it as Muslims. Muslims, they read it with echo to make it holy. And from his narration, and the authority of Ibn Abbas, that he said in the interpretation that Allah saying Kaf. He says, it is an azure mountain, overlooking this world. And the color of the sky takes from it. Allah swore by it. Takbir. This is astonishing. I cannot hold myself from dying, from laughing. Must be true. Oh, mommy blue. Oh, mommy blue. Oh, mommy. No, mommy. So now we know why the sky is blue. I was wondering, maybe because of my socks, because my socks is blue. Maybe because I mix my socks with the blue sheet. Maybe. It cannot be, because how the sky will be mixed with my socks? And then I come to the knowledge of Allah, and Allah knows best. Allah, he told us the story. Who knows better than Allah? Let us face it together. You can run away for a day, for 2, for 3 from your mother-in-law, but you cannot run away from Allah. Now, be honest with you. If there is any show in the cable better than our show, they charge you money, They ask you to pay for it, and you sign bills and contract, and cable guy come and blah 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 blah. There, here we go. What do you want better than this? All of you today, you will sleep healthy and you will sleep good because you love very much. My friend, glory to the Lord, the Messiah. We are making fun of the devil, exposing him. In the same time, we are glorifying his name. There's no name under heaven better than his name. He is the Lord, and his name is the truth, and the truth will set you free. When you make a lie, you have to create 1,000 lies to cover the first lie. And this is why it's very easy to expose such a stupid cult. But first you have to earn knowledge. And this is why the Lord, he said, read the books. My friends, read the books. My nation being destroyed because of their ignorance, not because of their knowledge. Let us fight ignorance, expose ignorance, stand against ignorance. I don't hate Muslims. In fact, I love to save them and to bring them to the truth, which means to set them free from such a cult. And I pray that all the Muslims, they will see the truth, and they will become a loving nation, loving people who come to the Messiah, believe in him, and save themselves and their soul, and save their neighbors from any violence and hatred. Let us stand against hatred and violence, for it's coming from the devil. The father of all lies is the devil. And if Muhammad is proven today to be a liar, that means his father is the devil. He's a person who claimed to be a prophet. He knew he's not. He knew he's lying. There's no way he do not know. He is of his father. Thank you very much for being here. May the Lord bless you all. And until we see you again, please subscribe, invite your friends. And if you like to read more, to learn more, you can get my books from Amazon, in case you like to have reference handy in your hands. And this Christian Prince with you, wish you the best. Christ is Lord, Islam is false. I mean to that. And see you soon again. Bye-bye.